आनंद रूपी समुद्र में कैसे डुबो देते।
Krishna used to put everyone in the ocean of bliss.
केवल असुरों की वध करना
Just killing the demons is not the responsibility of Prajaganatha Shyam Sundar. He is divine ocean of rasa himself. He tastes the
और
divine
भक्तों के भी
rasa himself, and he also
आस्वादन कराते हैं।
gives the divine rasa, mellows to his devotees. Krishna in Braj
ब्रज गोपियों के साथ
with the Braj gopis,
जो प्रेम विहार आदि की लीला आदि
the Prem Vihar pastimes that he
उसी
performed
कथा
with the
को
gopis.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी
That same
पाद
katha
परीक्षित महाराज को
was
श्रवण
explained by Sukdev Goswami Bhatt to Parikshit
विशेष
Maharaj.
करके कृष्ण की
Especially
सर्वोत्तम जो लीला
The topmost pastime of Krishna is the Rasa Lila, Nisamma Geetam,
भगवान ओपी तारा
Bhagavanopi Taratte,
सर्वोत्तम
Sarvatyamulam Mali,
विचरंत
Vicharantra Manaschakre,
जोग माया
Yoga Maya, Upasitram, Upashritam.
सिंह भगवान
God Himself, Krishna,
ऐसे सुंदर शारद पूर्णिमा
beautifully on the Sharad Purnima, he saw a full moon, beautiful,
चंद्रमा की उद्दीपन हुई और इसके पश्चात कृष्ण ने
and Krishna had a desire to perform rasa with the gopis, and then he played his flute,
और समस्त गोपियों की जो
and all the gopis
आसन करके
were invited,
ब्रज में सुंदर
and then
रास रचा।
beautiful rasa happened in Braj.
विषम गीतम तदनंग
Sammageetam Tadananga Vardhanam, Srila Dev Goswami Pad is explaining.
कृष्ण जब वंशी वादन करते थे
When Krishna plays the
तो
flute,
समस्त गोपियां
all the gopis,
यह कार्य आदि
they used to abandon all their household activities,
गोविंद के साथ कैसे मिलित
and they used to meet with Govinda.
और कैसे
And it's
बंशी के तान
how,
के साथ
with the sound of
नृत्य
flute,
आदि करते।
they used to dance.
वह समस्त अपूर्व कथा आदि
That divine katha,
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद श्रवण करा।
Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad he
इसी
explained.
प्रकार कृष्ण
In the same way,
ब्रज में
Krishna in Braj,
सदियों की
he
आनंद प्रदान
gave bliss to everyone in
इधर
Braj.
नारद ऋषि
Here Narad Rishi,
मनी मन विचार करने लगे
he thought,
ये कृष्ण की दो प्रकार की तो लीलाएं
there are two kind of pastimes of Krishna. One is
मिलन लीला
meeting pastime, and the other one is separation pastime.
इसी सन
That's why
नारद ऋषि
Narad Rishi,
हृदय अंतर आपको जान करके ही
after realizing the heart of Krishna, he said,
हे गोविंद
Govinda,
केवल आप ब्रजवासियों के साथ
you are
प्रेम विहार करते रहोगे
performing pastimes with Brajvasis.
ब्रजवासियों की केवल आप प्रेम रस में डुबाओगे
Will you only give this mellows to Brajvasis? In Mathura,
कंस दुराचार कंस
Kansa, who is very very cruel,
देवकी और वसुदेव के कितने कष्ट दे रहे हैं।
he is giving so much pain and trouble to Devaki and Vasudev. Will you not go to help them?
दुष्ट कंस
This cruel Kansa, he
उग्रसेन की भी जेल
even
में भी डाल दिया।
killed, he put his father in prison,
मथुरावास में कैसे कष्ट आदि
and how he's troubling all the Mathura people of Mathura.
मानो मथुरा पूरी
Everyone is afraid of Kansa, and the whole Mathura is like an abandoned land. Everyone abandoned Mathura because Kansa was so cruel.
अपने सैनिकों के साथ
With his army,
व्यवहार आदि करते थे।
he used to behave very bad with all the people in Mathura. That's why
नारद ऋषि कहने लगे
Narada Rishi said,
प्रभु
Prabhu,
आप मथुरावासी को भी आप
please go and help the people of Mathura.
यदि मथुरा में जाकर के कंस की बात करें
Go and kill
देवकी और
him
वसुदेव के जो है कारागार से मुक्त कर।
free Devaki and Vasudev from prison.
इसी प्रकार मानो नारद जी की प्रेरणा से ही
By the mercy of Narada Rishi,
लीला पुरुषोत्तम
Lila Purushottam,
सिंह भगवान
God,
अपने जोग माया के द्वारा ही
with the Yoga
ये
Maya,
लीला प्रस्तुत कर।
he manifested these
मैंने
pastimes.
कहा था देखो कंस
Just I explained,
एक एक करके कितने असुरों को ये ब्रज में भेजा।
he sent many demons one by
एक
one
भी
to
पापी
Braj.
नहीं थे।
All were killed,
पुतना से लेकर के
starting from
सकरासुर,
Putana to Sakadasur,
Trinavarta,
Trinavarta,
Bakasur,
Aghasur, Bakasur, all the demons.
सब ब्रज में आके ब्रज में ही रहे।
All they came to Braj and they never returned because Krishna, he killed all of them.
गीता में जो
In
भगवान
Gita,
कहते हैं,
God is also explaining
जगत्वा न
Yadavatana
निवर्तन्ते,
Tannavartante
तद्धामं परमम्।
Tadhama Parmama.
कोई एक बार मेरे धाम में आ जाए,
Just once, if someone takes shelter of my
ब्रज से
lotus
बाहर
feet,
नहीं जा सकते।
they can never go outside of
ब्रज
Braj
शिवमय भूमि है।
because Braj is divine land.
कंस उसी प्रकार भी
कंस
कुछ भी विचार नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Also thinking,
मैं जितने असुरों के भेजा,
I sent many
एक भी
demons,
वापस लौट करके नहीं आए।
not even one
मन
came
में
back.
भी संशय आता है,
This doubt also come.
कंस स्वयं क्यों नहीं आया?
Why didn't Kans go himself?
प्रश्न होता है।
Question will come or not?
कंस कोई साधारण नहीं थे।
Kans was not ordinary.
प्रभावशाली थे।
He was very influential.
इसलिए कंस तो
That's why-
स्वयं ब्रज में क्यों नहीं आया?
Why didn't Kans come himself?
ब्रज में भेज दिए।
He sent many demons to Braj, Aghasur, Bakasur.
अंतिम जो असुर भेजा था,
The
उसका
last
नाम
demon
था
he sent was
घोड़े के ऊपर।
the horse. No.
अरे केसी
Keshi Datta.
केसी
Horse like demon.
किंतु देखो केसी दैत्य भी लौट करके
Keshi
नहीं
Datta
गए।
didn't come
वृंदावन
back
में
either.
जाए आज तक भी
Even if you go to
केसी घाट,
Vrindavan, even till today,
जहाँ पर
Keshi Ghat,
कृष्ण,
where Krishna,
केसी दैत्य को भी मार दिया। सुवर्ण सुदाम आदि के साथ कृष्ण
with Subhashridam Krishna, he was cow grazing.
कंस
And here
केसी
Kansa
को बोले जाओ
said to Keshi, go
तुम कृष्ण के मार करके आओ।
go and kill to
केसी
Krishna.
दैत्य बोले मैं आप
Keshi
जाता
Datta
हूँ,
said,
लौट करके
just
आता
I
हूँ।
go, just I come back, I'm very
समय नहीं
powerful,
लगता है। केवल
I run very
मुझे
fast,
बताओ,
just tell to me,
वो कृष्ण कैसे है?
how is Krishna?
कंस ने कहा देखो
Then Kansa said, look, if you go to Vrindavan,
मोर
one who is wearing peacock feather,
जिनके हाथ पर बंसी है,
one who is holding
आज जिन्होंने
flute,
पीताम्बर
and one who is wearing yellowish golden clothes,
पहने हुए हैं, उसी की जानो वो
just
कंस है,
think
ये
that is
है।
Krishna. Attack him and kill him.
बस।
Bas.
केसी दैत्य घोड़े के रूप धारण
Keshi
धारण
Datta
किए।
manifested form of horse,
हिन करते
making
करते
the horse saying sounds, and he entered to Vrindavan.
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण सुखाओं के साथ
Lord Krishna, with his sakhas,
साधन कर रहे हैं।
he was manifesting his moods of friendship. Tam satam brahma satam.
Tam satam brahma sukhanuvittam dasangatanam pradaivateno mayasutanam naradarakenu sadham vijahu kritapunna punja। अब वो सखाओं की सौभाग्य देखो,
See the fortune of the friends of Krishna in Vrindavan,
जमुना की पुलिन में
on the banks of Yamuna.
ऐसे सुंदर सखा लोग
The
कृष्ण के
sakhas,
साथ खेलकूद करते हैं।
they are performing beautiful pastimes with Krishna. Sometimes they are climbing on the shoulder of
कई
Krishna,
सखा
and sometimes the friends
कृष्ण के
are,
साथ तुम हार
they
गए,
say to Krishna, you have lost now.
घोड़े के रूप धारण करो,
You
तुम्हारे पीठ
become a
पर बैठ
horse
जाता
now,
है।
we will climb on your back.
भाग जाता है।
Then Krishna runs away from them. Like, I am a little baby, why do not torture me by sitting on my back? See, the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
और सखा लोग
And the
इस
friends,
सखाओं के भय से भागने लगे।
they ran
सखा
away.
लोग के पीछे पीछे दौड़ते हैं
The sakhas started to run
और
behind
कृष्ण
Krishna.
कभी छुप जाते हैं।
Krishna, he is hiding sometimes.
जंगल में छुप जाते हैं, सखा लोग खोज कर नहीं पाते, कहते
He
हैं
could
कहाँ
not
गए?
find, like, oh, where has he
सारी
gone?
गाली आदि भी थी।
Then even we swear words for him. Oh, from now on we'll boycott you, we'll never play with you ever again. Then Krishna, crying, he comes out.
फिर सखा लोग कहते हैं
The friends say,
तुम घोड़े के रूप धारण करो,
you become a horse,
बैठेंगे।
then we will sit on your back.
सखा जो है
4 friends,
कृष्ण के पीठ पर
they
बैठ
sit on the
जाते
back
हैं।
of Krishna, and then Krishna, he falls down.
ऐसे ऐसे लीला कृष्ण वृंदावन में सुंदर
Like this
रूप
beautiful pastimes Krishna is manifesting, performing in
एक दिन
Vrindavan.
है,
Once upon a time,
कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ
Krishna with his friends was cow herding on the banks of Yamuna. He was sitting there,
मधुमंगल आदि सखा
and
लोग
Madhumangal, all the friends, they said, Kanhaiya,
ये गोपियां तुम्हें अच्छे अच्छे क्यों खाना खिलाती हैं?
Why are these gopis cooking you beautiful dishes like pakoras, many beautiful sweets?
तुम्हारे कोई गुण नहीं है,
You have no quality or what?
तुम्हारे
You have no
केवल
quality
एक गुण
actually.
है।
Just you hold this flute and you wear peacock feather. That's why they are bringing nice food for you.
हाथ में तुम्हें बड़ी सी रखते हो और पीले वस्त्र पहनते हो।
And you wear golden clothes. That's why you are getting so nice foods.
इसलिए गोपियां तुम्हें
And-
अच्छी अच्छी जो है खिलाती हैं।
Gopis
और
give you
कोई
nice
कारण
food. No other reason actually.
नहीं। कृष्ण बोले ठीक है,
Krishna he said, okay,
मेरे बंसी और
my flute and
मोर मुकुट,
my peacock feather and golden cloth you take, no problem.
भगवान उस दिन हुई लीला।
At that time God he manifested very beautiful pastime.
मधुमंगल को दे दिया।
He gave to Madhumangal. Madhumangal said, give to me.
मधुमंगल कृष्ण के पीले वस्त्र पहन दिया।
Madhumangal he wore the yellow clothes of Krishna
और मोर मुकुट
and he
और हाथ
wore
में
a
बंसी ली।
peacock feather of Krishna and he was holding the flute of Krishna as well.
कैसे
At that same time the Keshi demon,
घोड़े का रूप धारण करके
manifesting a form of horse, shouting he came. Hin.
कंस ने कहा दिया, जिसके
Because
पीठ
Kansi
पर
told him
मोर
that
मुकुट
if you want to find Krishna, just look for a person whoever is wearing peacock feather, wearing yellow clothes and holding a flute. That is Krishna. And look,
विशाल शरीर,
he has a huge body.
कैसी दैत्य
Keshi Datta.
मधुमंगल के तरफ आक्रमण करने
He
लगे।
attacked to Madhumangal, thinking he is Krishna.
करते
Saying
दौड़ने
he,
लगे।
he started to
और
run.
कैसी दैत्य के विशाल शरीर था।
Keshi had a huge
इस
body.
शरीर से हवा से ही मधुमंगल अपने आप लुढ़क
Just
गए।
when he was running, so much wind was moving,
बचाओ बचाओ,
the Madhumangal started to fall down by the speed of wind. He said, "Oh Krishna, protect me! Take your flute, take your peacock feather,
कम बढ़ रही है।
take it back. Please protect me."
इसके पश्चात कृष्ण
After this,
क्या
Krishna,
किया?
what did he do?
वो कैसे दैत्य के निकट आ गए।
He came in front of Keshi Datta and
दैत्य के उसके पीछे के पैर को जो है जो पकड़ लिया
grabbed the Keshi demon with his legs on his legs that were behind. Then he rotated him and he threw him.
कैसी दैत्य
Again and again, Keshi demon attacked Krishna again and again. At the end,
कैसी दैत्य मुंह फाड़
demon,
करके कृष्ण की तरफ आने लगे।
he came towards
उस समय
Krishna.
कृष्ण
At that
एक
time,
हाथ से एक कैसी दैत्य के उनके जो कान को ऐसे पकड़ लिया
he grabbed the ear of Keshi demon and with his other hand, he
और उनके मुंह में प्रवेश किया।
put it inside his
कृष्ण के
mouth.
हाथ मानो
Krishna's hand
इतने लाल
is very red,
है,
flaming hot, even more high temperature than the higher temperature, even than metal burning. So then when Krishna put his hand inside, Keshi demon died. In the same
ऐसी
way,
दैत्य नहीं मानी।
Keshi demon he died.
इसलिए कृष्ण मणिमन एक कम से मणिमन विचार करने
So
लगे।
Krishna was thinking,
मैंने जितने असुर के भेजा कोई आज तक
all
भी
the
कोई
demons that I sent,
वापिस
none of them returned.
इससे हम एक प्रश्न भी हो सकता है
Just this question is coming.
ये कौन सा साइन क्यों नहीं आ गया?
So why didn't he go himself?
एक-एक
Why
करके
not?
असुर के भेजा, सब
One by one he sent the demons. All of them
इसलिए
died.
उसका उद्घाटन हमारे आचार्य से बात करते हैं।
The secret is explained by the
एक
acharyas.
बार कंस
Once Kansa,
मथुरा छोड़ करके
he
वृंदावन के ठीक सीमाना में आ गया। मथुरा वृंदावन
he
की
came on the border of Mathura and Vrindavan.
कंस मणिमन विचार करते
Kansa
रहे,
was thinking,
अरे मेरे शरीर में कम शक्ति नहीं है।
I am very powerful. Maybe I can kill to Krishna directly, no problem.
किंतु आश्चर्य की बात,
But surprisingly,
कंस जब
when
मथुरा
Kansa,
के सीमाना को बड़ा को
Yeah.
छोड़ करके
when he tried to step in the Vrindavan from the border of Mathura Vrindavan, as soon as he put his step inside Vrindavan, simultaneously
वह कृष्ण एक
that Kansa transformed into an
बुढ़िया बनी,
old lady,
डोगरी बन गई।
just an old hag.
वृंदावन की धूली की महिमा यहाँ पर का है।
When the glories of the dust of lotus feet is expressed here, in the meantime the gopis came. Oh, you old lady, where are you coming from?
कौन तुम्हारे
Kansa didn't answer. Who is your husband? Where is your family? Which village you belong to?
देखो सब गोपियां उसके गुलचार मान
All the gopis punched that old lady and threw her away. In the meantime, Yogamaya protected him, and then
उनके बाहर
Kansa was brought back outside of Vrindavan.
वहाँ पर एक कुंड है, उसी कुंड में
There was a
पाया।
kunda nearby, and then was dropped in the kunda, and then Kansa, he ran away.
कंस के मन में एक भय है,
Kansa now is afraid
ये ना जाने
that
ब्रज की धूलि में
what is that power in this dust of Vrindavan that made me into an old woman? My God, I have to run away from here. Kansa got this, so that's why Kansa himself he
नहीं आ गए।
didn't come.
किंतु कंस मन में विचार
But
करने लगे,
Kansa was thinking
कम क्या की जाए, जब तक
What to do?
कृष्ण बलराम
Krishna Balaram,
ये ब्रज में रहेंगे,
if they stay in
हम
Braj,
हजार प्रयास करने पर भी
we can do thousands of things, but we can never kill Krishna.
कंस के जितने ऊंचर थे
All the associates of Kansa,
उनके सलाह देने लगे, देखो एक काम
they
करो,
advised him,
सांप गर्त में रहे ना, गड्ढा में
if the
रहे,
snake is in the hole, in
और
the
उसको
ground,
ऊपर से जितनी भी गट्ठी पिटाई करो,
if you try to beat the snake, it will beat the hole, the snake will not come out.
तो और भी नीचे
It will even go deep inside the hole, in ground.
कुंडली ऐसे करके खड़ा है, कोई लोग कर रहे हैं। सांप को क्या करना पड़ेगा?
What you have to do,
मारना है,
if you want to kill the snake,
गड्ढा से बाहर निकल के
you have to bring it out of the hole first.
अच्छा, सांप के गड्ढे से कैसे निकालोगे?
How will you bring it out?
बताओ,
Tell me.
गर्म पानी डाल दो,
Just put some hot water.
सांप गड्ढे में रहे, गर्त में रहे, ऊपर से थोड़ा गर्म पानी
Put
डालो,
hot water and see the snake quickly, he will come out.
तब उसे मार सकते।
Then you can kill the snake. What does this mean?
कंस के जितने सलाहकार थे,
All the associates of Kansa,
कहने देखो कृष्ण
they say,
बलराम
okay,
को जो है,
Krishna Balaram,
इसी प्रकार से
and somehow
वृंदावन
they
से
just
बाहर
bring them out of Vrindavan.
हैं? हम किसी प्रकार से वृंदावन से मथुरा लेकर के आए।
Let's bring him to Mathura.
कृष्ण
And then
बलराम जब मथुरा में
When
आ
Krishna
जाएंगे,
Balaram come to Mathura,
तब हम लोग
that
सभी
time,
एकत्रित होकर
all
क्या
we will
करेंगे?
gather and
मार डालेंगे।
kill to him.
छोटा तो दोनों बालक है,
They are both children, right?
तो कुछ नहीं।
Nothing else.
कंस विचार करेंगे, ये सलाह है, बहुत अच्छी विचार है।
Kansa said, very nice, let's bring him out of Vrindavan.
कौन आएंगे?
But who will bring?
कृष्ण बलराम को ब्रज से बाहर ले आना इतना
It's
सहज
not
नहीं।
possible, it's not easy to bring Krishna Balaram
इसलिए
out of
कृष्ण के
Braj.
मंत्राणा देने वाले जो है,
So,
असुर लोग कहने लगे, देखो
the demons, they said,
ये मथुरा में
in Mathura, there's an Akrur.
अक्रूर उनके चाचा लगते हैं,
Akrur is his
उनके चाचा लगते
paternal uncle.
हैं। ये काम की जाए, अक्रूर के भेजा जाए।
Just you send Akrur there?
अक्रूर मानी मानी विचार कंस अक्रूर को आदेश दिया, ये देखो हम मथुरा में एक सुंदर उत्सव मना रहे हैं,
They're celebrating a huge festival in Mathura.
पर धनुष
They announced we are celebrating a huge wrestling competition.
है, वहाँ पर हम लोग एक सुंदर
There, Rangeshwar Mahadev will arrange beautiful arrangement there. A huge festival is going to be there.
इस उत्सव में
We will invite Krishna and Balram in this festival.
देखो
See,
अक्रूर जी
Akrur
रथ लेकर के
with his chariot,
मथुरा से वृंदावन में
he went from
और
Mathura to
वृंदावन में
Vrindavan.
जाकर के
In Vrindavan,
नंद महाराज के निकट
in front of
इस
Nanda
समाचार
Maharaj,
की।
he explained.
अक्रूर भी जानते थे कि
Akrur
देखो,
explained,
इसके मृत्यु के घड़ी आ जाता है ना,
when if someone is
वो
about to
जानबूझ करके
die,
क्या करते हैं?
automatically they
सांप के गड्ढे में हाथ को घुसाते हैं।
put their hand inside the snake's mouth, and then the snake bite him. That's the arrangement of death. What does it mean? Akrur was thinking,
कंस के पाप के घड़ा जो है
the pot of sins of Kansa is full now. Now it's time to break it.
टूटने होते हैं।
Now Kansa has to die.
कंस महापापी कंस
Kansa, very very big
कंस के
sinner.
पाप के घड़ा भरी, इसलिए
That's why
अक्रूर मनी मन विचार करे,
Akrur started
मेरे दो
thinking,
लाभ होगा, एक तो स्वयं पर ब्रह्म भगवान गोविंद के दर्शन भी होंगे,
it's good. I'll just take darshan of Supreme Personality of God,
बलराम
and Krishna Balram will come to Mathura, and they will also kill this cruel Kans. So it's good. Let me just go then to Vrindavan and try to bring him.
रथ लेकर के
Akrur with his chariot
पधारे
he entered to Vrindavan,
और नंद महाराज के निकट
entered in Vrindavan, and then he went to Nanda Maharaj and said, Maharaj,
कृष्ण बलराम के जो है मथुरा भेजा जाएगा।
sent Krishna and Balaram to Mathura, where
कंस एक सुंदर
Kansa
धनुष जगह उत्सव कर
was on organizing a huge festival.
नंद महाराज पहले
Nanda
मना कर
Maharaj,
दिया।
before he said no, it's not possible.
ये कैसे जाएंगे?
How will they go? They are little children. How will they go in this festival? Akrur, what did he do?
कृष्ण बलराम के निकट जाकर के
He went to Krishna Balaram and said,
देखो
look,
हे कृष्ण,
oh Krishna,
वास्तव में तुम्हारे जो
in reality, your parents are Devaki and Vasudev.
दुष्ट कंस
Cruel Kansa,
हमारे माता पिता वसुदेव और
he has trapped your parents
कारागार में
in prison.
बंदी बना के रखे। उनके छत्ती पर वक्षस्थल पर
On their chest.
ऐसे पत्थर रखे। देखो तुम योग्य पुत्र हो,
You are qualified, son of
तुम्हें
him.
काम दुष्ट अपने माता पिता की रक्षा करो। देखो अक्रूर ऐसे जब बोलने लगे,
When Akrur said,
विश्वास नहीं हो रहे।
Krishna didn't believe.
देवकी और वसुदेव उनके पुत्र हैं।
Devaki and Vasudev
कृष्ण के सरल
is
विश्वास
the parents. Krishna has firm faith that Nanda and Yashoda are my eternal parents.
शास्त्र के अनुसार
As per scriptures,
कृष्ण के नित्य माता पिता कौन है?
who are the eternal parents of Krishna?
नंद यशोदा।
Nanda and Yashoda.
मैं कुछ दिन खाना आज
Just I explain also.
मथुरा और
Mathura
गोकुल में ये
and
झगड़ा
Mathura and
चलता है।
Gokul, they fight. Even till today, people of Mathura, they say,
कृष्ण देवकी और वसुदेव के पुत्र हैं।
Mathura people say Krishna is the son of
आज
Devaki.
गोकुलवासी वृंदावनवासी लोग कहते
And
हैं
people of Vrindavan, they say, no,
कृष्ण
Krishna is the son of Nanda and Yashoda.
पुत्र। आज तक भी झगड़ा चल रहा है।
Even till now, the fight is going on.
क्या करें?
What to do?
किंतु शास्त्रीय सिद्धांत के अनुसार शास्त्रीय सिद्धांत हमें देते हैं, वास्तव रूप में
Just I explained,
नंद जसोदा
Nanda and Yashoda
नित्य माता पिता
are the eternal parents of
आइए कथा में।
Krishna.
किंतु अक्रूर जी बार बार कृष्ण कृष्ण बलराम की जो है
But Akrur, again and again,
सत्य भाव के उद्दीपन कराने लगे।
he was trying to trigger Krishna with the mood of
हम
warrior.
जाएंगे
Then Krishna Balaram said, okay, we'll go in that festival.
जहाँ पर चारों डिस्ट्रिक्ट आदि
We will go
ऐसे
there.
बड़े-बड़े पहलवान हैं,
And
उनसे हम
Charu and
लड़ेंगे।
Mushrik are there. There we will fight him. And we will,
विचार करें।
let's kill these demons.
अंत
So
में
Krishna and Balaram were thinking to go Mathura at the end of Krishna and Balaram.
नंद महाराज के निकट जाकर मेरे पिताजी
Said to Nanda
हम
Maharaj,
दोनों जगह देखना चाहता हूँ वो कैसी है।
I want to see how this kind of festival is.
अनुमति दे दिया।
At the end, Nanda Maharaj said, okay, you can go.
नंद महाराज किरण करते काल प्रातः काल में
Nanda Maharaj said, tomorrow early in the morning, Krishna and Balaram,
वृंदावन से मथुरा के लिए
they will go from Vrindavan to Mathura.
देखो कितने सुनते ही पहले
After hearing this,
उस
the gopis fainted instantly.
समय की बहुत विरह की
At
कथा।
that time, so much mood of separation is being expressed by our acharyas. Oho vidhata tavana kachitya.
बहुत श्लोकों के द्वारा पढ़े।
With many shlokas, this is explained.
प्रातःकाल होने के साथ ही यहाँ कृष्ण बलराम
Similarly, Krishna and Balaram,
रथ पर बैठे।
they sat on the chariot of Akrur.
सारे गोपियां ने क्या की?
All the
रथ के
gopis,
चारों
what
तरफ
did they do? They surrounded the chariot.
देखो आप लोग
See, Akrur,
इधर उधर के रथ घुमाते हुए
he started to drive the chariot little
चलते
bit and he
चलते
moved.
मथुरा वृंदावन की जो सीमाना
And
पार
then
करके
he,
इस सीमाना में जब आ गए
when he came at the border of Mathura Vrindavan, in reality,
कृष्ण और बलराम
Krishna and Balaram,
वहीं से वृंदावन की सीमाना से वहीं से अंतर्धान हो
they
गए।
disappeared from the border of Vrindavan. And the Mathuradhish Krishna,
में बैठ करके
the Krishna of Mathura, he sat on that chariot. Actual Vrindavan Krishna is in Vrindavan. There are many deep Tattva Siddhantas or Acharyas, just they explain like this
पिताओं वर्णन करते
in
हैं।
their commentaries.
जैसे जैसे मैंने बताया
Just I explain also.
वृंदावन के कृष्ण वृंदावन में ही
Vrindavan Krishna always he resides in Vrindavan.
रहते हैं। मथुराधीश कृष्ण मथुरा में
Mathura
रहते
Krishna he
हैं
stays in Mathura,
और द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण
and Dwarkadish Krishna
द्वारकापुरी में ही रहते हैं।
stay in
कृष्ण
Dwarkapuri.
के 3 धाम बताए गए,
There are 3 places of
वृंदावन मथुरा
Krishna:
और
Vrindavan, Mathura,
द्वारका।
Dwarka.
जिससे हमारे आचार्य महाराज कहते हैं पूर्णोत्तर और
Purnotara,
पूर्णतम धाम।
Purnottaram Dham
वृंदावन धाम की कहा जाए पूर्णतम धाम का।
is called Purnottam Dham.
इस प्रकार कृष्ण
Like this, Krishna,
मथुरा में जब प्रवेश किया,
when he entered
सखा लोग-
Mathura, the
मेरे
friends,
सखा लोग कहने लगे कन्हैया
he
हमने
said,
सुना
Krishna Kanhaiya,
ये कंस के शरीर विशाल है,
Kansa has a huge body.
तुम कंस के कैसे वध करोगे? हमने सुना है
How will you kill
चाणूर
to Kansa?
उनके
Charul
शरीर भी
Mushtik.
विशाल है,
Their
उनसे
body is
तुम
so
लड़ोगे।
huge, how will you fight?
कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ कहने लगे ये मैं भी बड़ा शरीर कर लूं। अरे कोई अपने शरीर कर सकते हैं? हाँ जी।
I can also expand my body, Krishna said.
और देखो सखा लोग कहने लगे दिखाओ, विशाल शरीर करके दिखाओ। और कृष्ण
Expand your body. And
ऐसे ऐसे करके
then Krishna, he moved his body and he manifested a huge, powerful body. It's called Dirga Vishnu. That form is called Dirga Vishnu.
आज तक भी मथुरा में
Even till now in
आप
Mathura, if you go,
विशाल शरीर कृष्ण, किंतु सखा लोग कृष्ण की पीठ पर थपथपाया, बोले हाँ तुम चारों मुष्टि के साथ
then they said, oh, you are powerful, very nice, you can fight to him.
निकट में मथुरा जिले में बहुत सुंदर स्थान। इस प्रकार कृष्ण
Like this,
आगे
Krishna,
बढ़े
he went there.
और अंत में चारों मुष्टि के लिए
Charun Mushtik is
उन्होंने
there.
मार डाला।
He killed to him.
अरे चिंता मत करो।
अरे हाथ ये कागज से पकड़ लो। और अंत में कंसन भी बात किया, इसमें तो बहुत विस्तृत वर्णन है।
Very beautiful explanation is there.
कृष्ण
Then Krishna,
उग्रसेन के जो कारागार से मुक्त कराए
he freed Ugrasen
और
from the
इस प्रकार
prison.
द्रौपदी और वसुदेव
Krishna, he defeated Kans and all the everyone. Then he freed Kans, he freed Devaki and Vasudev from the prison, and Ugrasen also.
कंस के पुत्र-
And then
कंस के पिता उग्रसेन के जो है राज्य पद नहीं दिया, संग राजा नहीं बने।
he didn't become king
और देखो
himself.
कंस मारे जाने के बाद कंस के 2 पत्नियां थी। एक
Kansa
है
had 2
अस्थि
wives.
और
One is
दूसरी
Asti and Prapti. Kansa had
ये
2
दोनों
wives.
जो है झूठ-मूठ
Both of them,
कृष्ण के ऊपर आरोप लगाए
they started to blame
और अपने
Krishna.
पिता जरासंध के निकट जाकर के
They went to
कृष्ण के
the
निकट उन्हीं को जो है उल्टी सीधी
his father. She went to their father and she complained, oh, he has killed her husband. Krishna is very bad, he killed her husband. Then Jarasandh, he became very angry and he tried to attack Mathura again and again and again. Jarasandh, he attacked Mathura. That's why Krishna and Balaram,
देखते देखते ही बलक वो जरासंध के जितने भी असुर थे
all the army of Jarasandh, so one by one they started to kill them.
17 बार उन्होंने
17 times
मथुरापुरी के आक्रमण किया,
they attacked Mathurapuri,
किंतु कृष्ण बलराम
but Krishna Balaram,
सारी उनके सैनिक को मार दिया।
they killed all the army.
और जब आक्रमण कर दिया,
And 18th time when they tried to attack
कृष्ण ने क्या की?
God Krishna, what did he do?
देखो समस्त मथुरापुरी के लेकर के वो द्वारिकापुरी में चले गए।
He went to Dwarkapuri.
ये सब कथा भी बहुत सुंदर
Very
है।
beautiful katha. This is explained
क्योंकि कृष्ण की
because
मथुरा लीला के पश्चात
after the Mathura pastime of Krishna and later Dwarka Leela is also coming.
इसी प्रकार कृष्ण सारे
Just like this,
मथुरापुरी के लेकर के कहाँ पहुंच गए?
Krishna, he with Mathurapuri, he same night he went to Dwarkapuri with Vishwakarma. He manifested a very divine palace kingdom for himself in Dwarka. And Krishna stayed there. Early in the morning, Mathuravasi, when they woke up, they all were in. They saw all around were the waves of an ocean, waves of the ocean. All the Brajavasis, all the Mathuravasis.
दरवाजा कहाँ है?
Like, where is the door? Where is the door?
द्वार कहाँ है?
Dwar kahan hai? Meaning, where is the door? Where is the door?
उसे नाम ही पड़
That's why
गया।
that place is called Dwarka. Like, where is the door?
कहाँ है? है द्वार
So that's
का।
an extremely highly secure place, so no one can even
और
find the
इससे
door.
पश्चात स्वयं कृष्ण वहीं पर भी बहुत
Then
लीला
Krishna,
की।
he manifested
विवाह
beautiful
किया।
pastime there. He got married to
16,108
16,108 wives.
ये समस्त बहुत विस्तृत वर्णन उसमें
Very
भागवत में
nice
वर्णन
explanation is given there.
द्वारिका लीला में इसमें सुंदर लीला आदि प्रस्तुत
In the
किया।
Dwarka Leela, he gave very beautiful,
इधर
found very
देखो,
beautiful pastimes, and
गोपियाँ
here gopis,
कृष्ण विरह में कैसे तड़पने लगे।
in separation of Krishna, they started to feel so much pain.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Krishnadev Goswami Pad, he expressed to Parikshit Maharaj, he expressed everything to gopis. It's called Bhramar Geet.
स्वयं उद्धव जी
Uddhav himself, he came to Braj,
स्वयं कृष्ण उद्धव को भेजा।
sent to Uddhav,
वत्सद्धं ब्रजेशं
Chodam Brajestomam, Pratamam Pratibhavava, Madhuvyanamapi,
मत संदेश कई
Madhusandesaki Murch,
कच्चद्धं ब्रजेशं
Kachattam Brajesum,
मत व्यनांगो कपिना मत संदेश कई विमोच।
Murch.
ये उद्धव तुम ब्रज में जाकर के
Uddhav, you go to Braj
समाचार में
and give my message
मेरे माता पिता
to my parents, to the
उनकी
Brajvasis,
सांत्वना देकर के
pacify them.
उद्धव ब्रज में आए।
Uddhav came to Braj.
ब्रजवासी के विवाह आदि को दर्शन दीजिए।
He saw the mode of separation of Brajvasis. All this explanation is there. Shri Goswami Pad did all this explanation.
बहुत सुंदर ये भागवत
Very
की
beautiful katha is this of Srimad Bhagavatam.
दसम स्कंद की
The
पूर्वार्ध
10th
और
canto
उत्तरार्ध
is very nice. Explain
इसके पश्चात
just after this.
कृष्ण मन में विचार करने लगे।
Krishna started to think,
मैंने सारे मैं तो काम कर लिया।
I have done everything now.
अंतिम जो लीला है ब्रज
Just my last pastime
नित्य धाम में भी था। इससे
is to
स्वयं
descend
कृष्ण
back
द्वारिकापुरी में
to ascend back to my transcendental abode. So Krishna in
और
Dwarka,
एक लीला भी प्रस्तुत
he manifested another pastime which is called
की। जो दुगुंस के कैसे थी।
how did the Yadu
उसके
dynasty
लिए
died.
स्वयं भगवान भी चिंतन
And at
करते
that
हैं।
time, God he thought,
क्योंकि सारे परिकर को लेकर के थे।
because with all his eternal associates, he had to return back to his transcendental abode.
ये भी लीला करके स्वयं भगवान
So with this pastime,
प्रभास क्षेत्र में
God he went to
एकांत
Prabhas
में
Kshetra.
महात्मा है।
He was sitting there peacefully, very beautiful katha is there. So Prabhas Kshetra around Gujarat. So very beautiful katha this is. After this, God
नित्य धाम में पधारे।
he ascended back to his transcendental abode, and
उद्धव
then
को बताया
he told to Uddhav,
कि उद्धव
Uddhav,
तुम जल्दी ही जाकर के
quickly
ये मेरे मैत्री आदि ऋषियों की जो मेरा समाचार आता है।
give my news to them. Everything explanation is there in Srimad Bhagavatam, just like this 10th canto ends. Vyasdev Goswami Pad, he started explaining on 11th canto, 12th canto.
जिसमें महाप्रलय आदि की कथा सुनाई।
The big pralay is also there. How
ये भी
Kali Yuga is, this he explained
उस
also
श्रीमद् भागवत में
in Srimad Bhagavat. Very beautiful kathas are explained.
हमारे साधक के लिए एक विशेष वैशिष्ट हमारे आचार्य का वर्णन करते
Our sadhakas explain very nice thing. One is
हैं।
Sambandha,
अभिधेय
Abhideya Tattva,
तीसरी
and the third one is
प्रयोजन तत्व।
Prayojan Tattva.
हम कृष्ण के साथ कैसे
With
संबंध जोड़े।
Krishna, how can we establish a relationship
भगवान
with
की
Krishna?
भूल करके
Forgetting God,
हम इस संसार में भ्रमण कर रहे हैं।
how are we wandering in the cycle of birth and death? Maya is giving so much trouble to us.
जैसे जैसे अभी बताया ना तुलसीदास
Just to explain Tulsidas,
दोहा के उन्होंने सुनाया।
he explained this doha.
कोई कहते हैं, बारी मत हितरी सिख ताते बोलते बिनु हरि भजन अवसर करियो यो सिद्धांत का। कई कहते हैं
Some people they
जल
say,
के
some
मंथन
saying,
करके
if you churn the
मंथन करके
water,
मुझे
I got
घी मिल गया। बारी मत
ghee,
हितरी।
Barimati Grit.
बालू कनक पीस करके
Grinding the sand, I was able to make
तेल मिल गया। मिलता है क्या?
oil. Is it possible? No, it's impossible.
बारी मत हितरी।
But yet he's saying, okay, maybe I just believe it's possible. And someone said, I did not do Hari Bhajan.
हरिनाम नहीं किया, कुछ
No
नहीं किया,
chant holy name,
संसार
nothing,
में
I didn't do
किया।
anything.
मैं भगवान को प्राप्त करा।
And I attained to God.
तुलसीदास जी का जब मैं
Tulsidas ji explained, I cannot believe this.
असंभव भी संभव हो सकता है।
Impossible is possible.
जी मुझे तेल भी मिल
If
गया
someone
और
says I
घी
got
भी मिल
oil
गया।
from sand, I got ghee from water, okay, I believe, no problem.
करके और
Churning water gave me ghee, and grinding the sand gave me this. But if someone says without Hari Bhajan I attain God, this is 100% impossible. I never
जीवन की
believe
एक
this,
ही सार है
because the essence of life is just this: we must do Hari Bhajan.
और कुछ नहीं, जीवन की
Nothing else.
सारी उसी प्रकार है।
The
कुछ नहीं
jiva,
पार्टी।
the life is like
केवल
this.
एक शरीर हमें क्या हो जाएगा?
Our life is
परिवर्तन हो जाएगा,
transformative, it's changeable.
कभी स्त्री शरीर, कभी
Sometimes
पुरुष शरीर हम प्राप्त करेंगे।
body of male, sometimes body of female we
पशु
will get.
शरीर
Sometimes body of
और कभी मनुष्य शरीर ऐसे प्राप्त करेंगे।
a human, body of animal. We're
समय
getting
कम
this
होने के नाते
because of lack of time.
और इस महाराज की कथा हम छोड़ दे, क्या बोले? ये हिरण है, निक ना। भरत महाराज की कथा हम छोड़ दे।
Bharat Maharaj ka tha we
भरत
didn't
महाराज
discuss.
इतने राजा थे, जुबान
Bharat Maharaj was very nice king. He abandoned everything. He started to do bhajan.
और देखो ये हिरण के प्रति
Just he got saw attached to one little baby deer. He became a baby deer in his next life.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What does this mean?
निश्चित नहीं है।
It's not sure that next life
हम
we will become a human. It's not sure. It's not guaranteed at all. You might have to take birth as a dog. Might take birth as a little deer.
आसक्ति होगा,
Whoever you are attached to,
उसी शरीर में आपको
in the same body you will become in next life. जब जन वापिस मरना.
गीता में भगवान कहते हैं
In Bhagavad Gita, God is explaining at time of death, the thoughts that a human is having in the time of death, they get the next body connected to that thought.
देखो
See.
भरत महाराज हिरण
Bharat
भाव अवस्था
Maharaj,
तक पहुंच गए।
he attained to the stage of bhav.
हमारे आचार्य बात कहते हैं
Our acharyas, they explain Bharat Maharaj did bhajan and he attained where?
श्रद्धा साधु संग
Unto Shraddha, Sadhu Sang, Bhajan, Kriya, Nartraviti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti and Bhav. He attained till there.
स्तर में पहुंच गए।
Attained the highest perfection stage. But yet,
हिरण शिशु के प्रति आसक्ति होने के नाते
because he was attached to that baby deer,
दूसरी जन्म में क्या शरीर
in
मिला?
next life,
हिरण शरीर मिला।
he became deer.
पशु शरीर, हमें मनुष्य शरीर हमें मिला, कितनी
We got human body.
सुंदर शरीर है।
It's good, right?
रोग व्याधि हो जाए हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, दवाई लेते हैं।
If we get disease, we go to doctor, right?
हम करते हैं। पशु शरीर में कौन करेंगे?
Who will do in animal body?
हाँ, यदि कहे
If you say,
हरी घर के राजा के घर में हम कुत्ते होकर जन्म ले,
if we want to go and take birth as a dog in a rich family, is it good to take birth as a dog or not? Foolish people say, okay, dog is nice, dog life is good, but body of an animal is so painful, so much struggle is there. In Ramayan, beautiful katha is explained.
भगवान रामचंद्र
When Lord Ramchandra,
अयोध्या के राजा बने।
he became the king of Ayodhya.
भगवान रामचंद्र नित्य प्रत्यह
Every day Ramchandra, he
न्याय देते थे,
used to give
उसमें बैठते थे,
justice to the
न्याय देते थे।
everyone
एक दिन दोपहर के
in
समय हो
assembly.
गया,
Once afternoon,
भगवान रामचंद्र बोले,
Ramchandra said,
"लक्ष्मण,
Lakshman,
बाहर
listen,
कोई खड़े है कि नहीं?
outside is anyone there?
लक्ष्मण बाहर बाहर आके देखा कोई है
But
ही नहीं।
Lakshman came and said, nothing, no one is there. They all went.
लक्ष्मण बोले, प्रभु
Lakshman said,
कोई बाहर
Prabhu,
है नहीं।
is someone outside? No.
भगवान रामचंद्र बोले, नहीं देखो तो कोई खड़े
Ramchandra
होंगे।
said, just check, someone might be there. Someone is seeking justice, they might be there. Lakshman, he went there
और
outside
एक
again.
कुत्ता खड़ा हुआ है।
Then he saw, oh, a dog is standing there.
कुत्ता।
Just a dog is standing outside.
भगवान रामचंद्र बोले,
Lord Ramchandra, he said, call to him.
अपने कुछ
He must have come to see justice.
अर्जी लेकर के आए। कुत्ता को बुलाया।
Then
भगवान
he called the dog.
भाषा जानते थे।
Ramchandra, he knows the language of all dogs,
कुत्ते के बोले, तुम्हारे क्या
of
है?
everyone. So he asked the dog, what happened to you? What justice do you seek?
कुत्ते ने इतना ही कहने लगे, प्रभु
Dog
आपके
said,
मंदिर के
Prabhu,
पुजारी
the priest of your temple,
मुझे लात मारी।
he kicked me. It hurt me.
ये न्याय विचार दीजिए।
Give me
मैं पशु
justice.
जाति हूँ।
I am an animal.
मुझे क्यों लग-
Why are they abusing me
साथ ही साथ
like this?
भगवान रामचंद्र
Simultaneously, Lord Ramchandra, he called the priest of the temple.
भगवान रामचंद्र ने तुम्हें कुत्ते की
Then he said, he asked him, why did you kick this dog?
पुजारी बोले,
The priest said,
प्रभु
Prabhu,
एक कुत्ता जो
this
कुत्ता जो है,
dog,
मंदिर जाने के रास्ता में
he
जो
was
है,
standing on the way up to the
मेरे
temple.
रास्ते को ब्लॉक कर दिया ना।
He blocked the way. He was sitting, he was sleeping there. He blocked the way to the temple. Please don't
शास्त्र में लिखा
be
है,
offended. In scriptures it is written.
भगवत सेवा के लिए जब मंदिर में जाते हैं,
When you go for service in the
कुत्ता
temple,
पशु होने से,
if you touch the dog,
अब कुत्ते दर्शन आदि हो
if you
जाते
see a dog,
हैं, अपवित्र हो जाता
you
है।
become
ऐसा
impure. In scriptures it is written.
हम नहीं करें,
I'm not saying this.
बुरा मत मानिए।
Don't be offended, please.
शास्त्र की वचन
In
है।
scriptures it is said.
यहाँ तक भी
Even
अर्चन दीपिका में लिखा है,
in Archan Deepika it is written.
भजन जो आप ठाकुर जी को जो ठाकुर जी के लगाओगे ना,
When you offer to Thakur ji,
दर्शन करने पर देख लेने पर
if you see a dog or even dog sees it, then Thakur ji don't take, receive it.
पुजारी तो जा रहे थे मंदिर पूजा करने के लिए, बुरा मत मानिए, कुत्ता को मार दो। हम तो शास्त्र की वजह
If a dog even just takes a look at that food, then God will not eat it. This is in scriptures.
इसमें शास्त्र में कहा
In
गया है,
scriptures it is
ठाकुर जी
said,
को लेकर के जाओ, कैसे जाना चाहिए?
when you take offering for Thakur ji, cover it and you take. Whenever you take for offering, put a cloth or another plate on top of it to cover and then you take.
कुत्ते यदि उस वस्तु को
If
देख
dog,
लिया,
they see it, Thakur ji will not accept it.
ब्राह्मण कहने लगे,
Brahmans, they said,
प्रभु ये देखो
Prabhu,
क्या? ये
extreme
कुत्ते जो है,
merciful, this
वो हमारे रास्ते पर बैठा हुआ है।
dog is sitting on the way. So I became
मैंने
angry,
किसी से कुत्ते को लड़ना।
and in anger I kicked the dog.
भगवान रामचंद्र कहने लगे,
Lord Ramchandra said, look,
पुजारी,
Pujari,
ऐसा नहीं चाहिए।
you should not do like this.
ये पशु जाति है,
He's an animal.
इसके विचार नहीं।
They have no discrimination power. You could have changed your direction. You should have walked.
हाँ, आगे सब बैठो,
Everybody
जो
sit.
जहाँ पर है बैठ जाइए।
Just sit down. Everybody can move a bit forward if possible.
देखो ये पशु
So
जाति है,
he's an animal.
किसी के प्रहार करना
To attack someone
तुम्हारी उचित नहीं है।
is not good.
वास्तव है कि नहीं?
True or
किसी
not?
की प्रहार करना तुम्हारे
To
अधिकार
attack
नहीं
and hit someone, you have no
है।
qualification.
सबके स्नेह करो, सबके प्रति करो।
Give love and affection to everyone.
भगवान तो सभी के हृदय में है कि नहीं?
God is in the heart of everyone, right?
परमात्मा रूप के रूप में कुत्ते की भी है,
He's in form of super soul in the dog also.
कुत्ते के भी हृदय में तो वही परमात्मा भगवान विराजमान है।
He's there, residing in the heart of everyone.
जंजाल के हृदय में है,
In the
हाथी
heart
के
of
हृदय में है।
elephant, in the heart of a dog eater, or in dog, everyone. Super soul is present in
भगवान
everyone.
रामचंद्र कहने लगे, देखो,
Lord Ramchandra, he
तुम
said,
दूसरी रास्ता होके घूम करके जाते,
why don't you change your direction? You should have walked past by to somewhere. Why did you kill to him?
ब्राह्मण कहने लगे, प्रभु,
Brahman, he said,
मेरा
Prabhu,
अपराध
I am so offended. I did an offense. I am not punishing you.
ये कुत्ते के पूछो क्या दंड देना चाहते हो?
Let's ask this dog what punishment he wants to give you. Lord Ramchandra said,
तो तुम बताओ,
dog, you tell me
इसको क्या दंड दी जाए?
what punishment you want to give him.
कुत्ता ने क्या बोला?
What did the dog say? Do you know?
कुत्ते बोले, भाई महाराज,
Dog said, Maharaj,
देखो,
look,
इसके दक्षिण देश में,
in the west,
कलिंदी प्रदेश में,
in Kalindi,
स्वर्ण मंदिर है।
there's a gold Swarna Mandir, the temple of gold.
जिस मंदिर
In
में
that temple, every day,
10,000
10,000
लोग चढ़ाते हैं।
kilograms of gold is coming in the temple in donations.
एक कॉइन नहीं है, ये हमारे
Not one small coin.
तो एक 2 रुपया के खरीदने-
Not that coin. I'm talking about the gold bricks.
सिक्का नहीं है।
Gold bricks. Pure gold, big bricks. Were coming in the temple as
उसी मंदिर
donation.
के, उसके क्या बना दिया जाए?
Make him
महंत बना दिया
the
जाए।
priest of that temple manager
समझ में
there.
आ रहे? उस मंदिर को क्या बना दिया जाए?
Make him the temple priest.
भगवान रामचंद्र को नहीं, इसके दंड दिया कि
He gave him punishment, or
कुछ पद दे दिए। इस छोटा सा
so
मंदिर को
is he giving a punishment or you giving a high position? If a temple, dog is saying, you make him the temple manager of the biggest, richest temple.
एक स्वर्ण मंदिर, और जिस मंदिर में हर
That
रोज
temple every day,
10,000
10,000 kilograms of gold is coming in donation there.
महंत बना दिया।
Make him the temple priest
भगवान
there.
रामचंद्र सुन करके
Lord Ramchandra heard this and he said, what is the reason? What is this?
हम बोलते थे बोले और दूसरी के दम से पिटाई करो कुछ करो।
If we are like oh, beat him, do this, hang him, punishments like this, but what did the dog say? Dog, is he giving punishment or a blessing? Dog is saying, make him the temple manager of the richest temple. Why? Ramchandra, he asked.
कुत्ते ने कैसे सब जवाब दिया?
Why? Dog, you want this punishment for him? Dog, he told,
मेरे कुत्ते जन्म के पहले
you know, now I am dog. In my past life,
इस शरीर के पहले मैं उसी
in my
मंदिर
past
का
life, I was the temple manager of that rich temple.
महंत समझते हैं? हैं?
I was the temple manager there. I was the
मैनेजर
priest.
था। और रोज
Every day,
सामान आने लगे,
so much
इतने
donations
पैसा
used to come.
आने
So
लगे।
many donations used to come.
हैं? मैं अपने जिहाद
I couldn't control my tongue. I couldn't control my
इसलिए
senses.
मेरा लालच आ गया।
So much greed came.
और मैंने कि ठाकुर जी के जो सेवा के लिए वस्तु जो है
And Thakur
हाँ,
ji's
प्रभु जी,
seva.
थोड़ा बात में करे तो अच्छा है। उस ठाकुर जी के जितने भी ठाकुर जी के जो सामग्री पैसा जो है
All the
अपने
money
भोग
for
में
Thakur
लगाया।
ji that came, I used it for my own sense gratification.
जिसके फलस्वरूप मेरा
As
कौन
per
सा
that,
जन्म हुआ?
I became
कुत्ता जन्म
a
हुआ।
dog.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। हैं? मेरे कुत्ते जन्म को प्राप्ति हुई
I became a dog.
हैं? और ये पशु जन्म में आकर कितने कष्ट होता है
And I feel so much pain when I've been in this animal form.
वास्तविक
I know the pain.
हम इसलिए कह
So
रहे
I'm
हैं
saying this because
ये मानव शरीर जो हमारी ऐसे
human life
शरीर कहा जाता है
is so
इस शरीर
rare.
के द्वारा ही भगवान
By
को
this
प्राप्त कर
human
सकते
life
हैं।
only can we attain the
पशु जन्म
God.
के द्वारा हम भगवत प्राप्ति कर नहीं पाएंगे
By
इसलिए जड़
other we cannot attain. So Bharat Maharaj is saying this humbly. He's saying, oh my God. Just I get a little bit attached to the little baby deer
मेरे हिरण जन्म प्राप्त हुए
and I became a deer.
और हिरण होकर के
And
जहाँ पर संत महात्मा रहते थे
and wherever Santa Mahatma was there, just we remember past life things. It's not in the lives of everyone. It's not in the fortune of everyone. Bharat Maharaj even attains the stage of Bhav. So that's why he was remembering his past life.
विचार करने लगे
So he started to think, oh, my life is useless.
और जहाँ पर संत महात्मा
And wherever Santa Mahatmas were there,
हिरण वहीं पर
that deer
केवल आंखों से
used to
आंसू
come,
दिखाई
they sit nearby the saints, and the deer used to
भाषा
weep
से समझ
because the
नहीं
deer
पाते,
wasn't able to understand what the Santa Mahatmas were saying.
ना कुछ कर पाते
Couldn't do anything, but
जहाँ पर संत महात्मा
wherever
होते थे,
Santa Mahatmas were
वो
there,
हिरण वहीं पर खड़े
the
हुए
deer just used to stand nearby the Santa Mahatmas and they started to cry.
अंत में
At the end,
समय आने पर
and when the right time came,
फिर पुनः
the deer gave up the body and got a human body. It's called body of Jad Bharat.
देखो
See,
हम इसलिए कहें ये मानव
saying this
शरीर
because
ऐसे अमूल्य शरीर है
this human body is so rare, so valuable.
इसलिए दिया
This body has been gifted by God just to do bhajan of God.
कुछ कारण नहीं
No other reason actually.
नहीं तो और दूसरी जन्म में चले जाए
Otherwise, if you go to other life
कुत्ते
forms
शरीर
life,
आदि में चले जाए
if you become a dog,
पशु शरीर में चले जाए हिरण आदि सब में वो केवल चार चीज में
animals, they are just doing four things: eating, sleeping, mating, and defending.
सामान्य तो पशु ही नरनाम धर्म ही तेषां अधिक विशेष धर्मे न हीना पशु ही स्नान
The shlok verse is from Mahabharata. Just what I want to express is that
शरीर भगवान इसलिए दिया
this human body is extremely rare
प्रभु के भजन करने के लिए
to do bhajan of God.
84 लाख जनी
8.4 million species. After wandering through all of them, we got this so valuable human body. In Padma Purana is giving this statement.
सावरा लक्ष्य विंशति कृमया विद्य संकल्प 30 लक्षानि पशव 10 लक्षानि पक्षिणां 4 लक्षानि मानव
They're explaining all the numbers
ऐसे मानव
of
शरीर
the
नहीं
8.4
मिलेगा
million species. You are a human now. Whether you believe or not, but this is true.
कोई पूर्वजन्म मानते हैं, कोई नहीं मानते,
Some people believe in past life and some even don't.
किंतु शास्त्र की वचन
But in scriptures this is explained. That's why this human body we have got to do bhajan of God.
भागवत में जितने भी
In
कथा
Bhagavad, all the katha, all the essence of the katha is this, that just we should make some endeavors to do devotion, to practice devotional service to the Lord. It's almost 9:30 now, so I won't take much time. Now is the last day of Srimad Bhagavatam. Tomorrow early in the morning we have to travel also to the next destination.
इस श्रीमद् भागवत
When
में
Srimad Bhagavat
एकादश स्कंध
in third
और
canto
द्वादश स्कंध में
and second canto in Navayogendra Sanmad,
इस समस्त कथा भी वर्णन किया,
very beautiful explanation is coming.
साधारण नहीं।
It's not ordinary.
नवजोगेंद्र
Navayogendra,
ये निमि महाराज की सभा में
in the assembly of Nimi Maharaj, he entered. At that time,
निमि महाराज
Nimi Maharaj,
एक एक ऋषि को भी होगी अंतरिक्ष प्रतिपालन ऐसे ऋषियों के एक एक प्रश्न पूछा।
he asked rishis many questions one by one.
प्राचीन काल में
In
संत
ancient
महात्मा
times, Sant Mahatma,
राजाओं के दरबार में जाते थे,
he used to come in the, they used to visit the houses of the citizens,
राजा महाराज
and the king,
परमार्थ लाभ करने के लिए संत महात्मा के संग आदि करते
they even used to associate with the Sant Mahatmas.
वही निमि महाराज के राजसभा में
In Nimi Maharaj's assembly,
नवयोगेंद्र
these 9 jewels entered, Navayogendra.
ऋषभ देव के सपुत्र जी,
The Rishabdev's 100 sons.
81 कर्मकांड ब्राह्मण थे,
There were 81 Karmakand Brahmins,
9 जो है नवखंड
and the
के
9
राजा,
were the kings of 9 countries, and other 9 became 9 jewels. Navayogendra. Now it's 18. 9 and 9, 18. 18 plus 81, how much?
हाँ?
99.
और भरत महाराज,
And Bharata Maharaj 100.
देखो 81 जो है पुत्र उनके क्या बने
81
कर्मकांड ब्राह्मण।
and Karmakand Brahman.
अरे इसी प्रकार हम इसलिए कह रहे
So I'm just saying this because human life is very rare. Nimi Maharaj just asked this question.
कैसे उद्धार होंगे, कलयुग में हम किसके सेवा करेंगे, किसका
In
आराधना
Kali Yuga, who
करेंगे,
should we serve?
किस मंत्र के द्वारा आराधना
By
करेंगे?
which mantra should we serve? Krishna Vandam, Angopangastha Parshadam.
जब कई संकीर्तन प्राणी जगन्ति सुमेध।
In Srimad Bhagavatam, the shloka is coming. Who is the worshipable in Kali Yoga? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself.
विश्वास करें,
Whether you believe it or not, Srimad Bhagavatam, this is explained. Krishna Varnam Tuva Krishnam.
कृष्ण वर्णद्वय जो सदा सर्वदा
Krishna Varnadaya always
कीर्तन करते हैं,
absorbed in the thoughts of
कृष्ण
Krishna.
ही
Krishna himself
गौर सुंदर के रूप में प्रकट हुए,
appeared in form of Gaur Sundar. Krishna Varnam Tuva a Krishna.
अब कृष्ण यानी
A Krishna
गौर
meaning
वर्णों के रूप में प्रकट हुए।
in Gaur Varna, in golden complexion he appeared.
वर्णन के साथ
Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam Sanga Pashtra Parshadam.
अपने परिकरों के साथ
With his eternal associates he appeared.
बलदेव प्रभु नित्यानंद
Baladev Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, he appeared in form of that.
महाविष्णु
And Mahavishnu,
सदाशिव
सदाशिव।
आचार्य के रूप में प्रकट हुए,
in form of Advaita Acharya, he manifested.
और गदाधर पंडित श्रीमती राधिका
And Srimati Radhika
गदाधर के रूप में प्रकट हुए,
appeared in form of Gadadhar. Krishna Varnam Tuva Krishna Sanga Parshadam.
उनके भक्त विचित्र बलद थे,
The devotee, especially Srivas Thakur, all the devotees appeared with him.
और किस मंत्र के द्वारा उपासना?
And by which mantra can you worship to him?
बड़े महामंत्र
With the Maha Mantra.
कलयुग में और कोई मंत्र
No
के
other
द्वारा
mantra
उपासना
need to use in Kali Yuga. Just this mantra.
महामंत्र।
Just this Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। इसलिए कलयुग में केवल
Kali Yuga Naam Dhara.
सुमेरु सुमेरु
Nara Uttare Para.
और भी मंत्र जप करते हरि नाम
Just to chant holy names. Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishna Sangam Bastra Pachdam.
जब कोई संकीर्तन
Sangai Sankirtan.
कौन सा जब को
In fire sacrifice in Kali Yuga, which fire sacrifice you perform?
हरे नाम संकीर्तन
Nama Sankirtan is best.
कली युग में और कोई
कली युग
तो जब ध्यातो विष्णु
Kujat Dhata Vishnu. Tretam Jajate Mukhai.
तापरे परिचर्या
Dwapare Paricharjayam. And Kalau
ये शिवनाम।
Kesava Nama Sankirtan.
कृत युग सत्य युग में लोग ध्यान
In
करते
Treta Yuga, Satya Yuga, people used to meditate.
हैं। क्योंकि सत्य युग में
Do other
लोग
things
आयु
because
कितना था?
Satya Yuga people used to live for 100,000 years.
1 लाख
100,000 years they used to live.
और कली युग में
And in Kali Yuga,
100 साल में
100 years we cannot even survive properly.
70-80 साल हो गए
70 to 80 years if we are, then we die. And in Satya Yuga,
1000 से ध्यान लोग करते थे तो जब ध्यातो विष्णु
that's why this slok is
ध्यान
coming.
करते थे। दापर त्रेतायुग जगते मुखई
Tretam Jajate Mukhai. In Treta Yuga,
जगन करते थे।
used to perform fire sacrifice.
आयु कितना था?
In Treta Yuga, people used to live for,
0 कम कर दो।
just remove 1 0 from 100,000,
उसके 1 0 कम कर
remove
दो।
1 0. Now, how much is it?
10,000
10,000.
है? कितने लोग हवन करते थे?
People perform fire sacrifice.
इसमें हवन संभव है?
Is it possible to do fire sacrifice in Kali Yuga? Tell me.
ठीक ठीक से हवन नहीं होता है।
Properly you cannot do actually.
आप जितने भी कहें
Whatever you say, whatever you do, you will not find pure ghee, pure elements for offering in fire sacrifice. You won't be able to find. You won't be able to find actual sandalwood. People just do okay, but if you analyze, not possible. In scriptures it is said in Kali Yuga, this is not possible. In Treta Yuga they used to perform fire sacrifice.
तापरे परिचर्या
In Dwapar Yuga,
तापर युग में अर्चन होता है।
they used to do archan, worshipping.
कली युग में अर्चन भी ठीक
In
ठीक
Kali Yuga, archan is not being done properly.
अर्चन करने के लिए विधान है ना प्रातः काल में उठो
Just you wake up early in the morning in Brahma Muhurat,
स्नान करना पड़ेगा
you have to take bath.
और स्नान करके
And
गायत्री
then-
मंत्र जप करके
You have to chant Gayatri mantra and then you have to sit in archan.
अर्चन की सामग्री के इकट्ठा करना पड़ता
You
है।
have to collect
कली
the
युग में अर्चन ठीक से नहीं होता,
अर्चन।
मंत्र तो ठीक नहीं होता है।
everything. In mantras you cannot even chant properly.
उदात्त का अनुदात्त
Chanting is not also proper of the mantras.
गायत्री
So,
मंत्र जप करने के लिए विधान ठीक से नहीं होता।
even we can't even chant Gayatri mantra properly.
इसलिए अर्चन भी
So,
कली युग में अर्चन ठीक नहीं
Archan also not possible to do in Kali Yuga.
होता। तो क्या करेंगे?
So what to do?
कली युग में मनुष्य के आयु
In Kali Yuga, what is the age of human beings? Just remove 1 0 from 10,000. In Dwapar Yuga, people used to stay for 1,000. In Kali Yuga, remove 1 more 0 from 1,000. Now 100 years. In Kali Yuga, the life expectancy is 100 years. But even someone stays 100 years old, how can someone stay alive for 100 years? Some people live for 100 years, but very, very few. 7, 80, 90,
ब्रेन काम ही नहीं करते
brain stops working.
हैं? काम ही नहीं करते बेटे
It stops working.
तो कल युग में भाई कहाँ करेंगे ध्यान कहाँ
How will
करेंगे
you do bhajan in Kali Yuga?
जब में कहाँ कर पाएंगे
How will you fire sacrifice in Kali Yuga?
इसलिए कल युग में
And do archan in Kali Yuga. Okay, that's why Keshava Nama Sankirtan.
इसलिए कली संतन उपनिषद
In Kali Santan Upanishad, Vyasadeva he wrote,
कल युग की महामंत्र क्या है
what is the Mahamantra of Kali Yuga?
हम इसलिए करें एकादश
I am saying this because in the 11th canto,
संग नेमी महाराज ने प्रश्न पूछा
Nehmi Maharaj asked this question, what should we do in Kali Yuga?
कल युग में एक होता है नाम संकीर्तन
In Kali Yuga, just chant holy names and worship to whom?
बोले एक होता है सचिनंदन गौर हरि
Just worship to Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Some people, they don't believe.
धर्मिष्ठ आर्ष वचसा मायामृगम दैत्य सिद्ध
मायामृगम।
वंदे महापुरुष ते शरणारविंद इसमें स्पष्टीकरण करके कलिकाल में
In Kali Kal, in the age of Kali Yuga, you have to worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That same Krishna,
उसके बाद
after Dwapar Yuga,
नित्य धाम में चले गए।
he ascended back to his transcendental abode.
जब कृष्ण स्वधाम में
Just I
चले
explained,
जाने के
when
बाद
Krishna he went to his
धर्म
abode,
किसको आश्रय लिया?
Dharma took shelter of what and whom? Dharma took shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam.
और ये भागवत धर्म की
And
मूल तात्पर्य
what is the main of Srimad Bhagavatam? Harinam, Nam
और
Sankirtan.
ये नाम संकीर्तन
And this Nama Sankirtan, by this
भगवत आराधना
Bhagavat Aradhana is happening. Tatta Sudastut.
राज्य लक्ष्मी धर्मिष्ठ आर्य वचसा दर्दार परिणम माया मिकम दैत सीतम अन्नधावद
वंदे महापुरुषते Charanarvinda.
इस कलयुग में हमारे आराध्य
And Kali Yuga, our worshipable is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Anarpita Charin Chirat Satkaruna Avatirna Kalo.
समर्पयत उन्नत उज्जवल संभक्ति हरि पूर्ण सुंदर गति कदम संदीप्त सदा हृदय कंदरे प्रतिभा सचिनंदन गौरव हरि
Sachinandan Gaura Hari.
सबकी प्रेम प्रदान करें
Giving prema to everyone. Just you pick up your hand.
बोले हे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे
This is how you have to practice bhakti in Kali Yoga. God he's explaining. God he told to Uddhav, Na sadati mam yogam, na sankadharma uddaka, na sadhat tapastago yatha tir mama arjita. By karma jnana yoga tapasya, by that in Kali Yoga not possible to attain God. Just by chanting holy names is it possible. Just chant holy names, everything is, no need to do anything else. Tulsidas, all the shlokas of Srimad Bhagavatam, he explained everything very nicely in Hindi. In Kali Yuga, only holy name is best. Just chant holy names, take shelter of the holy names. Everything will work out if you chant holy names. This is the meaning of Bhagavatam. That's why in Srimad Bhagavat, last shloka is like this. What is it? Nam Sankirtana Jasya Sarva Papa Pranashanam. Nama Sankirtan is like this. No need to do anything else. Stay in your house, no need to go anywhere. Nam Namakari Bahudanija Sarvasakti. There is no any rule to chant the holy name. Someone was telling me my father-in-law's name is Krishna. If I chant Hare Krishna, then how can I take the name of my husband? How can I chant my husband's name? No, in scriptures it is written, God is saying, chant holy names. Whether your father-in-law's name is Hare Krishna, is it? Will you not chant Hare Krishna? What will you do? You will say, what will you chant? Hare Krishna? No, chant Hare Krishna. Your Krishna came first, or your God has named Krishna first, right? And your father-in-law is named just now. In scriptures, this is evidence is coming. Scriptures are saying chant holy names. Mad bhakto madjaji ma namaskuru. Chant my holy names. So is your father-in-law bigger than your husband? If bigger than God? Is your father-in-law bigger than God? Tell to me, God is giving this instruction clearly. If someone can say, my husband's name is Krishna. So will you not chant the name of Krishna? Are you are one is husband and one is the husband of the whole universe. Jagatpati Jagannath. chant
स्वयं
holy
भगवान
names.
आदेश दे रहे हैं।
God is giving this instruction
इस
clearly.
संसार में जो पति है वो पति एक दिन चले जाएंगे।
This material husband will die one day.
जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे?
Will they die or not?
जगतपति जगन्नाथ
But the universe's husband of the whole universe is eternal.
भूत भविष्य वर्तमान इसका के कालातीत काल।
Or Kalatit.
इसलिए भगवान के नाम ग्रहण करो।
So just you chant holy names.
लोग कहाँ-कहाँ से ऐसे
People they ask questions like this.
मंत्र में मेरे नाम जप कर रही हो।
And you're chanting my holy names.
नाम नहीं है, ससुर के नाम नहीं है। ये नाम किसके नाम
This
जप
is
कर रहे हो?
this name is not belong to your husband or your any member in the family. You're chanting the holy names. They are the holy names of God.
यही तो जमदूतों ने यही तो पूछा।
The Yamdutas they asked this
विष्णु ने पूछा, ये
to
भगवान
Vishnudut
का बेटा
Ajamil.
वो तो अपने
He
बेटा
named
के नाम पे
Narayan
करता
his
है।
child. He was calling to his child. He was not calling to Vishnu.
अरे बेटा के नाम
Vishnudut said
नारायण
when
है।
his
भगवान विष्णु के नाम
his
नारायण।
son took birth first, so Narayan came first.
पहली
So Narayan actually
से भगवान के नाम
for
पे-
eternity, God's name is Narayan.
इसे शास्त्र में कहा
That's
है,
why
किसी
just
प्रकार
this
से
is
कोई
explained.
नाम नहीं।
Anyhow, just you chant the holy
आप किसी
names.
बात में सुनो, तुम्हारे
And second thing, you
किसी
listen.
के नाम से नहीं, कृष्ण का कृष्ण नहीं है वो कृष्ण दास।
Your husband is not Krishna, he's Krishna Das, servant of
यदि
Krishna.
कहो मेरा पति के नाम
If you
पति के
say,
नाम क्या है?
my husband name is,
कृष्ण बोले तुम्हारे पति का
Krishna.
नाम कृष्ण नहीं है।
then your husband name is not Krishna, his name is
कृष्णदास
Krishna Das, servant of Krishna.
कृष्णदास पांडे
Krishna Das Pandey.
कृष्णकांत पांडे
कृष्णकांत पांडे
Krishnakant Pandey. It's written or not? Is God Pandey? Is God Pandey?
भगवान के नाम पांडे पांडे नहीं पांडे
God is not Pandey.
बनर्जी में नहीं लिखा
It's
रहता
not
है।
Banerjee. God does not have a caste.
इसलिए
That's why.
इसको समझिए अच्छे से लोग कहते हैं,
Understand this clearly. People they say,
तुम तुम्हारे ससुर के नाम तुम लेकर के-
why are you chanting, saying the name of my husband? Are you chanting the name of God?
भगवान के नाम जप करे हैं? आज में नहीं इसमें कहा जाता है
Everybody chant the holy names.
संस्कार कहा जाता है।
These are bad. These are like superstitions
भगवान
due
के
to bad
नाम
impressions.
लेते हो।
Just you chant the holy names.
आप तो भगवान के नाम ले रहे ना, इसलिए मंत्र जप करो।
That's why chant
में
mantra.
कृष्ण मंत्र है कि नहीं? तो आप मंत्र नहीं जप करोगे कृष्णाय नाम है कि नहीं है? बोले नहीं नहीं मेरा ससुर के नाम दे।
Why will not chant Krishna's name because my husband name is Krishna? How will you chant mantra? Gopal mantra. How will you chant Gopal mantra if you have the superstitions like this? You tell to me.
स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ते
In school, college, when you
कृष्ण बोलते हैं कि
over
नहीं?
there, you say Krishna or not?
तो ससुर के नाम हो गया कृष्ण नहीं बोलोगे क्या?
If your father-in-law's name is Krishna, so you won't call to them? Arey, no.
ये सब
Don't be
किसी
like
का
this.
करते
This is
हैं।
called
हाँ।
superstitions.
कुसंस्कार कुछ नहीं, ये माया उसी प्रकार का है।
Maya is doing this actually. She's creating these superstitions to give you a reason to not chant the holy name. Some people say, Gurudev, you gave Gopal mantra.
उसमें कृष्ण नाम आ रही।
The name Krishna is coming. My father-in-law's name is Krishna. My husband's name is Krishna. How can I chant?
नाम नहीं है।
Arey, it is not your husband's name.
कैसे कैसे लोग
What kind of people I meet?
और भी कहते हैं तुलसी
Some
में
people-
जल देना चाहिए। कौन सा दिन?
They say on that day, you say
बुधवार सोमवार मंगलवार तुलसी बात जल देना।
on some days you offered water to Tulsi and other days you don't, and if that day Tulsi will die, Arey, if you give water to Tulsi, it is best.
स्वयं भगवान को प्राप्ति करना है।
Return to God.
शास्त्र में वर्णन है।
In scriptures this is explained.
तुलसी दलो मातृ
Trosidaro matrina jalastutarugena.
हाथ में एक चुल्लू भर करके थोड़ा पानी ले लो।
Take some little water in your hand.
देखो आपकी मृत्यु के पश्चात कहाँ जाओगे?
After that, where will you go? Golok Vrindavan.
गले में तुलसी माला धारण करो।
Wear Tulsi mala in your neck.
कहते नहीं तुलसी माला
Some
धारण
people
करो।
say, no, you should not wear it.
अरे नहीं, गले में-
No, you must wear it.
दो प्रकार के कुत्ते होते हैं।
There are two types of dog. Listen carefully.
एक होता है
One is
हाउस डॉग,
house
और
dog.
एक होता है
One is
कौन सा डॉग? स्ट्रीट डॉग।
one is a street dog, stray dog, and one is a pet.
इसके आवारी क्या होते हैं?
Stray dog. They're called strays.
हमारा कुत्ता कहा जाता है।
They're called the strays. They're wandering here and there.
फालतू कुत्ता, उसके कोई मालिक नहीं है।
They have no
और
owner.
एक कुत्ता होता है जिसके गले में
One is a pet dog.
बेल्ट लगा रहता है,
wearing a belt on his
शरीर से पता चलेगा ये
neck.
व्यक्ति फलाना व्यक्ति के कुत्ता है।
So pet collar, if you see that, you can identify that this pet belongs, has someone is the owner of this pet.
ये हमारा कुत्ता है।
And those who are stray dogs, they don't have any of collars.
घर के जो कुत्ता जो है, जिसके
So the
पेट
pet,
अच्छी खिलाते भी नहीं
you feed him nicely or not?
और रास्ते में घूमने वाले कुत्ते
And
के
those who
आप
are
खिलाते
stray
नहीं।
dogs, do you feed them? You just chastise them. Hey, get out, get out. Maybe you will give one piece of dry roti to them, into the strays.
और अपने घर के जो
But your own pet, you will feed him very nice, delicious
हम
things.
इसे कहें
I'm saying this because in scriptures, this is said, if you wear tulsi mala, then
भगवान कहेंगे मेरा
God will say, this is mine.
भगवान
This
आपके
belongs to
आराम
me.
से-
This person, God, He will give you love and affection.
जैसे अपने कुत्ते के जो है
Just like you embrace your own dog,
उसका आप आलिंगन करते
you
हो।
embrace your dog, right?
करते हो कि
You
नहीं
embrace
करते
and kiss to your dog,
हो?
right?
अरे मेरा पिताजी है। हाँ,
Oh.
पिताजी का है।
He's my father, I think. Some people have this mood that this dog is reincarnation of their
और
father.
कैलाश के
Okay, the Kailash Katha is also coming like this.
पिताजी,
The child said, Father, Narad Rishi.
भ्रमण करते हुए एक बार नारद ऋषि
Once Narad Rishi, he went to Vaikuntha.
भगवान के कहने लगे,
He's,
नारद जी कहने लगे,
Narad Rishi said, Prabhu,
ये आप माया जगत सृष्टि कर दिया
you created this material
और
existence.
संसार की जी माया में पड़े हुए
And people are trapped in Maya.
इस संसार का उद्धार तो करो।
So,
संसार के सारे जीव आपके तो पुत्र संतान है।
people of this material world are your children. Help them all.
आपको दया नहीं आता।
Have you no compassion for them? Narad Rishi said this to God and he chastised like God a little bit. Then God said, Narad, listen, what shall I tell you?
मैं कितने बार गए?
I myself went there and called to them, O Jivas, come to me. Back to God, back to home. Come home. Come with me. So Jagannath is opening his arms wide out just like a father is calling out. Please come, give me a hug. Embrace to me, come, let's go back home. Jagannath, this is why the hands of Jagannath are open. Who has been to Jagannath? How many people went to Jagannath Puri? In once a life, please take darshan of Jagannath.
जगन्नाथ जी का देखो हाथ ऐसे पकड़
See,
के।
Jagannath hands are like this. Why?
हमारे आचार्य जो का जगन्नाथ सबको बुलाते हैं।
They call, Jagannath is calling to us. Oh my dear son, oh my dear daughter, please come to me. Why are you going towards Maya? Come to me.
उसी प्रकार कथा सुनिए।
Just listen Katha like this is coming. So Narad Rishi said, Katha, you are saying you are father, mother, everything, and your children. Why are you not protecting your children? God said, Narayan said, Narad Rishi, I went there many times in form of sadhu, in form of guru.
कभी मैं अनेकों अवतार के रूप में भी आया।
I came many times in form of incarnation. I took many incarnations, but the jivas don't want to come.
मैं मानता ही नहीं।
Narad Rishi said, I don't believe you.
अच्छा तुम जाओ।
He said, okay, you go, just you bring one jiva to me. Okay, which one? Just he saw there was a huge farm.
खेती में एक व्यक्ति हल चला रहे
One person was plowing the land. His name was
कैलाश।
Kailash.
सुनिए अच्छी तरह।
Listen carefully.
कैलाश की कथा।
Katha of Kailash is
नारद
coming.
ऋषि आगे।
Narada Rishi, he came
कैलाश चल।
and said, Kailash, let's go.
वैकुंठ में चलो। हैं?
Let's go to Vaikuntha.
70 साल 80 साल 90 साल हो गया अभी तक
70 years, 80 years old he was, but still he was plowing the land of this
तो
farm.
कैलाश कहने लगे
Kailash, he said,
नारद ऋषि
Narada Rishi, what to do?
मैंने अपनी कमाई करके
By my own earning hard-earned money,
बहुत कष्ट से पैसे
with so much
इकट्ठा
struggle, I
करके
collected
ये
this
जमीन
money
मैंने
and I
खरीदा।
purchased this land.
क्या खरीदा?
What did I do?
जमीन मैंने खरीदा।
Just I purchased this
और मेरा
land
बेटा जो है
and my
2-3
son,
बेटा और 2-3 बेटी जो है
2-3 children, 5 children,
गाँव की तरफ, शहर की तरफ चले गए।
they went to cities, they studied. No one wants to manage this farm.
इनसे देखो मैं स्वयं हल चलाता हूँ।
That's why I am managing it myself. When Narada Rishi said, no, come to Vaikuntha.
बोले, हाँ, आप तो सही बोले, मैं जाऊँगा।
Kailash said, okay, I will come, no problem. I will come, I should go to Vaikuntha. Okay, okay.
ऐसे करते
Then
1-2 साल बीत गए
2 years passed by.
और वो कैलाश
Kailash
शरीर छोड़ दिया।
died.
नारद ऋषि
Narada Rishi, he came back again after a few years.
उनके बेटा के
He asked to the son,
अच्छा
Oi,
हमारे पिताजी कहाँ
where
थे
is your
कैलाश?
father,
बेटा
Kailash?
लोग रोने लगे।
The son cried and said,
पिता 2 साल हो गया
2 years ago, father
स्वर्गवास हुए, स्वर्गवास
passed
हुए,
away.
शरीर छोड़ के चले गए। नारद ऋषि मन में विचार
Narada Rishi
करने
started
लगे,
to think
तो
Kailash
आशीर्वाद
was attached to his house. In Gita, God says,
उसमें तुम्हारा
to the thing that you're attached to,
आना ही पड़ेगा पहले।
the same connected birth you will get in your next life. So he must be around somewhere. So in that same house, Nardarshi saw
बैल होकर जन्म
he
लिया।
took birth as a bull.
बुल बैल होकर जन्म लिया।
Took birth as a bull.
कहने लगे, "हे,
Nardarshi said, "Oi,
कैलाश
Kailash,
मैंने कहा था ना अरे वैकुंठ में
I told you, you went to Vaikuntha or not? What to
मेरे
do?
बेटा लोग तो जमीन
My children, they
कुछ नहीं खाता है।
don't do anything. They're not plowing the land properly. So I stay here as a bull and I'm plowing this land."
ऐसे करते थे फिर बोले हाँ जाऊंगा
Then he said, "I will come to Vaikuntha. Once everything is okay, I will come to Vaikuntha." 5 years passed by, then
फिर वो बैल क्या हो गया
the bull also died.
नारद ऋषि आ गए
Narada Rishi, he came.
उनके बेटा के कहने लगे
He said to the child,
"अरे
"Arey,
कहाँ गए?"
where is that bull of yours who was
बेटा
there?"
लोग रोने लगे
The son cried and said, "Maharaj,
वो बैल ने बिल्कुल मेरा पिता जैसी था
that bull was just as like my father.
अपने आप जमीन में चला जाता हल कर देता
He used to plow all the time, just like my father used to do.
किंतु हमारे ये बैल जो है ये
But
बैल जो है
this bull,
बिल्कुल हमारे पिता की भांति है
just like my father." Narada Rishi was
अरे
thinking,
भांति नहीं है
"Arey, he's not like your father. Arey, he is your father."
फिर नारद ऋषि बैल के पास गए
Narada Rishi went to the bull.
नारद कहे ना
Narada Rishi is Trika Lagya, he knows past, present, future, everything. So he said, "Oh, you bull, oh Kailash,
चल देख अभी बैल हो गए जन्म लेंगे
see now you are become
हाँ हाँ जाऊंगा मेरे बेटा
बुल।
हो गया खेती किंती कुछ नहीं करता है
my children, they're not doing anything, so that's why I'm here.
चल बोले,
Come to Vaikuntha, that once everything is okay, I will come to
ऐसे करते
Vaikuntha."
2-4 साल हो
Saying
गया।
this, 4 years
फिर
passed
वो
by,
बैल मर गया।
then the bull
नारद
died.
ऋषि उनके घर में आकर के
Narada
पूछा,
Rishi came and asked,
"वो तुम्हारे बैल कहाँ गए?"
"Where is your bull?"
तो लोग रोने लगे भाई वो तो मर गया
They said,
नारद ऋषि
"Oh, he
ने
died.
बैल को कैलाश बैल होकर के जन्म लिया इसी घर में कहीं नहीं के जन्म लिया।
Kailash must be somewhere around." Then he saw,
क्या हो गया जन्म लिया
he took birth as a dog. Kailash took birth as a dog in that same house.
कुत्ता हो गया जन्म लिया नारद ऋषि पहचान लिया नारद ऋषि
Not she identified. He said, "Narada Rishi, oi Kailash,
अरे कुत्ते जनी हो गए।
Arey, now you are a dog.
अच्छा लग रहा है।
Are you liking this?"
बोले नारद ऋषि के
He said,
कुत्ते अपने
Kailash, in form of dog, he said,
नारद ऋषि क्या बताऊं
"Narada Rishi, what to
मेरे
tell
बेटा
you?
लोग जो है,
My
जमीन को
children,
बेच दिया।
they sold the land.
हाँ, जमीन बेच करके शहर में
Now they are making house in the city.
और यहाँ पर एक मकान बना दिया तो
And
बनाया तो।
here, they made a house here
और
also.
देखो मेरा बेटा बहू जा घर में ठीक से ताला
My
नहीं
son, he forgets to lock sometimes.
कुछ होते हैं ना, चल जाते हैं।
They just go, don't lock properly. Just I thought I must secure this place, be security guard. So in form of dog, I'm securing this house.
आई बाबू। इसी घर में मैं
In this house, I stay.
नारद ऋषि बोले वाह
Narada said, "Very nice.
अरे चलो वैकुंठ
Arey, come to Vaikuntha."
बेटा लोग
He
ठीक
said,
हो जाए।
"Okay, just my children, they fix themselves."
उन लोग कहते नहीं है, विदेश में तो इसकी बहुत मशहूर है
In the West,
हैं? हर घर में कुत्ता
in every house,
80%
80% how the people, they have dogs in the house.
कुत्ता
I think this might be reason.
तो लेके तुम्हारे
As a security guard, they keep dogs in their house.
unknown person आ नहीं सकते
So strangers could not enter.
आओ, 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 आओ।
Dogs, they bark like this and they scare away all the strangers.
इसलिए मैं यहीं पर रहता हूँ
So I stay here.
मेरे बेटा रोज देखो मैंने इतने पैसा खर्च करके
Just I spend a lot of
मकान
money
बनाया,
and I made a huge house.
और हमारे बेटा बहू क्या करते हैं?
And my children and
घर
his,
में से ताला नहीं लगा
they are not locking the house properly. They are just going.
अच्छा
Okay.
ऐसे करके 2-4 साल बीत गए
4 years passed by. Then
कुत्ता मर गया
the dog died.
कुत्ता जब मर गए
When the dog died, son started to cry.
नारद ऋषि आकर के बोले, तुम्हारे
Narada
कुत्ता
said,
कहाँ गए?
"Where did your dog
अरे
go?"
क्या बोले, जब बिल्कुल जैसे मेरे पिताजी के भांति
Just like my father, this dog was. He used to secure this house.
नारद ऋषि मन मन विचार करने लगे
Narada
अरे
Rishi
पिता के
thought,
भांति नहीं है
not
यही
like your
कैलाश
father. He is your father.
तुम्हारे घर जन्म लिया। मर गया
Right, and then
नारद ऋषि विचार करने मन करके कहाँ
he
जाएंगे
said, "Where will he go after dying?
आसक्ति है ना
He's attached,
जब तक
right?
तुम्हारे आसक्ति रहेगा उसी घर में
If the attachment is present, you will take birth again and again in that house."
नारद ऋषि तो टीका लग गए हैं
Narad Rishi knows past, present, future, so just he meditated and he searched for the dog.
उसी घर में
Then in the same house, he took birth as a snake.
कैलाश
Kailash became a snake.
नारद ऋषि देखा
Narad Rishi saw, he went to that snake and he asked, "Oh Kailash, first you became a bull, then you became a dog, and now you are a snake." He says, "What to do? My children, they have finished all my money and wealth.
जहाँ पर बैंक में पैसा रखा कहीं भी पैसा रखा था
Wherever I put money in my bank, everything, my children, they took everything
और लेकर के सब उड़ा दिया
and they spent everything.
अच्छा बेटा हो
If a good child,
सेवा में लगाएंगे।
they will put money in good use,
और ऐसे बेटा हो तो
and bad children, they will waste money.
बेटा क्या करेंगे शराब पी करके नहीं तो उल्टी सीधी काम में लगा के
They will do bad things and they will go to hell.
आपने इतने कष्ट देखो कैलाश इतने कष्ट करके
Kailash struggled so much,
और उनके बेटा लोग क्या किया
and what did the children do? They Kailash is saying, Narad Rishi, what to do?
इसी पैसा का जो है
Little bit of money, I didn't tell to anyone.
और इसी घर के
I just
एक सामने घड़े में रख दिया था
I put in a pot in a house nearby, all the money wealth, and I just dig it in the ground. I put it in the ground. No one knows that this money wealth is here in this ground.
कहीं हमारे बेटा को कहीं ये पता
So,
न चल जाए।
if my son finds out, then big problem. That's why I'm here protecting this wealth and money.
कुंडली होके बैठा हूँ सांप पे कोई आ
Just
जाए
inform a snake I'm sitting. If someone come, then I will throw them away. By them, Narad Rishi said, okay.
इतना आसक्ति है
So much attached. Are it come to Vaikuntha? He said, no.
नारद ऋषि कम नहीं है मतलब
Narad Rishi not less. He said, look, I have to deliver this jiva.
साधु जिस घर में आ जाते
When sadhu come in the house,
काम ही है
this is the duty of sadhu. Just they take everyone to the material. They take you to the transcendental world. They will grab your hand and they will take you to the transcendental abode.
कितने आसक्ति रखने घर में
But he is attached to his material world. He took birth as a snake. From bull to dog, dog to snake.
नारद ऋषि उनके बेटा और बेटी के बुलाया
Narad Rishi called the children and children. You know, I was friends with your father. Your father had a lot of money, right? He said, yes. We already utilized all his money. Narad Rishi, he had any money more? Now she said, yes. See, in the garden of this house, do you see that tree there? There's a tree there in the garden. Underneath that tree, your father Kailash, in a pot, he has put a lot of gold, a lot of cash. It's there. You don't know, but I'm telling you, go and dig there. But be careful, there's a snake there. Around that place. There's a snake there. Otherwise the snake will bite you. Then the Kailash daughter and son, they said, let's go, let's dig. Then they dig, just they move a little bit. Mud. The snake came outside. Kailash tried to bite them. Then the children, what did they do? With the stick, they hit the snake and they killed the snake. Then the snake back broke. That's why. And the snake trembled in pain and ran away. And the children took all the money wealth. And the snake was looking at the back that they are taking the money. Kailash saw this. See what to do now. And Narad Rishi said, Kailash, see, you did so much for them and now they are breaking your back. Do one thing, give up all attachments, come to transcendental abode. Now Kailash realized, oh, now I know. In this material world, whatever you do for someone, one day they will break your back. This is the nature of this world. Not today, tomorrow, anytime. This will happen for sure. You are working so hard for them. With blood, sweat, you are working for someone. That same person, they will break your back. Understand or not? In India, they say we two, our two. Like they got married, husband, wife, then one son and one daughter. Now we two are two, meaning. So where will the father and mother-in-law? Where will they go? Go to old age homes. Tell them. Mother, father, they educated you. They gave you so much money. They did so much for you. And now you're sending them to old age home. This is very bad. I've seen many people like this. Material world is so like this. In Bhagavad it is said, quickly do bhajan and come to Golok Vrindavan. Why you want to get slapped from your son? Quickly do Bhagavad bhajan. In Kali Yuga it's very easy. Just to chant holy names.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Properly.
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Chant holy names. No need to do anything else.
ससुर के नाम हो, पति के नाम हो, कुछ भी नाम हो, कृष्ण नाम हो, और जो भी नाम हो, नाम करो।
Just you chant the holy names.
कुछ संस्कार के छोड़ो।
Give up superstitions.
दो में कितना होता है भाई? 2 + 2
2 + 2 is equal to 4, right?
कोई कहते नहीं।
Some people say no, we will say 2 + 2 is 6.
तो 4 होता है कि 6 होता है?
Is it 4 or 6?
4 होता है ना?
It's 4.
नहीं 6 है।
Some people say it's 6.
अज्ञानी पुरुष 6 कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि ज्ञानी पुरुष क्या करेंगे?
A knowledgeable person will say 2 + 2 is 4.
तात्पर्य हम किसने करें?
Well, why am I saying this? In scriptures this is mentioned. Whatever your name of your family member, just you don't chant holy names. Don't accept what others are saying stupidly.
और रोज तुलसी में पानी दूं।
Every day water to Tulsi. In Kali Yuga, 3 things are truth.
एक है
One is
गोवर्धन।
Giriraj Govardhan.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन के परिक्रमा करना।
Do parikrama of Giriraj Govardhan. You must do Giriraj parikrama.
गिरिराज महाराज की जय। सारे पाप नष्ट हो
All your sins will be destroyed.
जाएं। हम तो विदेश में इसलिए जाते
In the West countries I travel to express the glories of India. Everybody come. Take darshan of Giriraj Govardhan. Take bath in Yamuna.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन।
Giriraj Govardhan, Yamuna Devi and Vrinda Devi, Tulasi.
शास्त्र में लिखा है।
In scriptures it is written,
चीज जब धीरे-धीरे नष्ट हो जाएंगे।
when all these will get destroyed, the Kali Yuga will be finished. Everything will be destroyed. Giriraj Govardhan, by the curse of Pulastrishi, every day, slowly and slowly, it is going towards ground. Kali Yuga, it will end sometime. Simultaneously, when this ends, Giriraj Govardhan will disappear. Yamuna will dry up. Tulsi will not also exist as the Kali Yuga develops. Kali Yuga, how many years pass by? Only 5,000 years. True or not? Some people say, scientists they say, they are even giving bad news. In YouTube they were saying, a stone is coming, a meteor or a comet is coming towards the earth. 4 days ago just I saw.
अक्टूबर
15 October. They told on 15th October the earth will end, this will crash with earth. But today is 16th October. They say earth will destroy. And see now, see the date passed by, nothing happened. Again they are saying, every day you can see, they are saying a huge piece of stone, a huge comet, meteor is coming towards the earth and earth will be destroyed. All this is stupid nonsense. Scriptures it is said, what is the age of Kali Yuga? 432,000 years is the age of Kali Yuga. Just 5,000 years have passed. Now 428,000 years are remaining. 428,000 years.
कितने बार इसे आज 2-4 दिन पहले भी वो बोल रहे थे
Just a few days ago they were saying, oh, it is coming, it will hit the earth. Then they say 2027, then 2032 they are just giving nonsense news, the earth will die. Arey, nothing will happen.
भगवान के भजन करो
Just you chant holy names.
भगवान के भजन अरे टकरान नाटक आप क्या बताओ
What can you do? Can you control it? If earthquake comes here, you all will die here or not? What will you do?
कोरोना आ गया कि नहीं?
Coronavirus came or not?
तो इसलिए डरने की बात नहीं है।
No need to be afraid. Just you chant holy names.
हम इसे कहते हैं
I'm saying, I say this because in Kali Yuga, just you chant holy names. That's why in Srimad Bhagavatam,
संकीर्तन के द्वारा प्रारंभ हुई
it started with the Nam Sankirtan. In the middle also Nam Sankirtan.
छठवां स्कंद में
In the 6th canto,
जामिल की कथा के द्वारा नाम संकीर्तन ने महिमा बताया
through the Katha of Jamil, it is explained. And about Nam Sankirtan, and in the last sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam is this also.
ये नाम संकीर्तन जिसको सर्व
Nama Sankirtan just says Sarva Papa Vinashinam.
और प्रणाम दुख
Pranam Dukkha Samanatum Nam Namami Hari Param. I'm in the shelter of Sri Hari. No need to do anything else.
और इस संसार में पुनः आना ही नहीं
Again, no need to come to this material world.
कुत्ता होकर के ना आना है
No need to become dog, no need to become bull, nothing.
क्या बोले सांप होकर के आना है ना बैल होकर के आना है क्या इस नाम करो देखो
Just to chant holy names, you will attain transcendental world. 100% guarantee. No need to come back to this world.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे और कोई मंत्र जप करना नहीं है भाई
No need to chant any other
और
mantra.
कोई मंत्र पर जप करना
In
नहीं
Kali Yuga, no need to chant any other mantra.
एक मात्र हरि नाम
Just to chant the holy names. And which Harinam? This Maha mantra, Kali Santan Upanishad, this is explained.
1600 नामानी
16 Namani, Datrit, 16 syllables.
नाम का ही सब कुछ
Just you chant holy names. Maha mantra is like this. And listen to Srimad Bhagavatam. Mahaprabhu very easily he explained. So Vaishnavas and do Nam Sankirtan. So Vaishnavas and do Nam Sankirtan.
नाम संकीर्तन करो अशुद्ध
Chant holy names and serve pure devotees of God.
वैष्णव सेवा एक वैष्णव की
Serve
सेवा
two Vaishnavas. If you serve a Vaishnava,
ब्राह्मण की सेवा हो जाती
1,000 Brahmans you are serving
है।
automatically.
ब्राह्मण की सेवा हो जाती है।
If you serve one Vaishnava. Understand my point?
ब्राह्मणानां शास्त्र
Brahmananam sa
शास्त्रेव
Sastreva
जाति विशिष्ट
Satrajati Vishishyate.
स्पष्टीकरण करते
In a sloka it is explained.
हैं। इस शास्त्र में लिखा गया है।
That's why in scriptures it is explained. Serve Vaishnavas.
हरे
Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे और ब्राह्मण के सम्मान
And respect to Brahmans. Chaitanya
भागवत
Krishna in Bhagavatam explaining, he explained Sudama Vipra or not, Krishna he washed his feet and he drank the water. Sudama of Sudama.
ब्राह्मण के चरणोदक स्वयं भगवान मान
God he drank the foot bathing water of Sudama.
स्वयं भगवान
And God himself
चरण दबाया
he massaged the feet of Sudama
अपने
and also he
बिस्तर में उनको
offered him seat on his bed.
सुदामी तो आए थे किस लिए थोड़ा धन के लिए।
Sudama came for what? For some little money.
उनके पत्नी है, बोले जाओ तुम्हारे पुराना मित्र है
He didn't want to take even just the wife. She said, you just go to your friend and bring some money, he's very rich. If you go to someone, don't go empty handed. If it's written in scriptures, you should never go empty handed to anyone. Don't go empty handed. If you're going to take darshan of God, you should offer to God something. Something you must offer. Just offer one little bit flour. Is it very expensive? No. Just take little bit of water and offer. Does it cost any money? Some people they said we don't want to spend any penny. Just to come in temple, offer a little bit water, they offer a little bit of flour. Just buy a small little flower and offer to God at least.
गंगा जल है प्रभु के चरण
Ganga Jal you offer, no problem.
नहीं करते भगवान भगवत दर्शन के लिए जाए कुछ चढ़ाने चाहिए
Go to take darshan, take something
और
with you.
दूसरी डॉक्टर के पास
Second,
जाओ
go to doctor.
फ्री में मत फ्री डॉक्टर को मत दिखाओ
Don't show to a free
डॉक्टर
doctor.
की भी कुछ
You must pay fees to doctor.
फीस देना
You must pay the fees to doctor. Whatever is possible for you must pay the fees to doctor. And third is,
दर्शन के लिए जाओ
if you go to take darshan of Guru,
शास्त्र में दिखा ना
in scriptures it is said.
इसमें सुदामा विप्र भी
Sudama Vipra also,
देखो गोविंद दर्शन के लिए जा रहे हैं
he was going to take darshan of Govinda.
सुदामा विप्र विचार करे मैं परम मेरे भी परम सौभाग्य है गोविंद के दर्शन करेंगे
You take darshan of
इसे
Govinda.
देखो अपने उनके पत्नी बोली
The wife said,
खाली हाथ में कैसे जो चलो
how will you go empty-handed? What did she give?
अच्छा मांग करके लाई वो भी चिड़वा जो है
She asked for donations. He used some dry oats,
काला हो गया
some burned oats. They were burned a little bit and they were like tied in the word of Sudama. After seeing this, he started to think, Kaham papim daridam. I am so poor Brahman and Krishna is the king of Dwarka. And how can I give this to him? Sudama didn't want to give. Hey, chup.
भगवान क्या बोले
So God, what did he say?
ब्राह्मण हमारे घर में आए
Sudama, you are here. Your wife must have sent you. She must have given something for me, right? You must have something. Sudama, he was hiding it.
हमारे भगवान क्या किए
God, what did he do?
उससे आम पेट से बगल से
Forcefully from his armpit, he grabbed those dry oats
एक मुट्ठी खाई
and he ate
दूसरी मुट्ठी खा लिया
once. He ate twice. He was about to eat the thrice. Rukmani Devi came and she said, Prabhu, don't eat more, please. Everything you have given to him already. Please leave something for us.
देखो भगवान
See,
कैसे परम प्यारे।
God is extremely merciful.
थोड़ी सी नहीं भगवान की एक
Just you offer a little bit to God. If you even offer one penny,
क्या चीज देंगे आप क्या देंगे?
God will give you so much in return. You cannot even imagine.
ये सुनामी की कथा इतनी मधुर है
Katha of Sudama is so sweet. Due to the time constraints, I cannot express it fully.
और सुनामी में उनके घर में रहे
And Sudama Vipra stayed in 3-4 days, 6 days in their house
कनिकापुरी में रहे
in
अच्छी
Dwarka.
तरह से भगवान उसके खिलाफ पिलाया
God, he fed him nicely.
चरण दबाया
God, he massaged the feet of Sudama.
और
And-
जाने के समय स्वयं भगवान उसके हाथ में कुछ एक भी पैसा भी नहीं दिया।
God, he didn't even give him a penny at the time when he went.
सुनामी में चलने लगे और भगवान उसके पीछे पीछे चले
And God, he was going behind Sudama. And Sudama went away and Sudama was thinking,
मैं घर में जब जाऊंगा मेरे पत्नी कहेगी
when I will go to my house, my wife will say, I sent you to take some money.
पैसा लाने के लिए क्या चीज लाए मेरा बेटा बेटी कहेंगे पिताजी क्या चीज लेकर गया
My child will say, ask me, Father, what did you bring?
हमारा 2 दिन आराम से कितने लुटाए नहीं देखो हमने
See, for 2 days, very nice, this Prabhuji organized, Pandeyji here. He's very generous.
और रोज इतने
Every
देर
day, he's giving so much.
नहीं वो किसी खाली हाथ में मत जाओ
Everybody take prasad. See, he's arranging so much from fruits to toys, everything, every day. I'm giving. Very nice, blissful, I feel. In Delhi also, our devotees are like this when Bhagavad Sapta is there. So much money they're spending. Even if Bhagavad Sapta is there or not, they're always bringing many things daily. Every day I go, you can ask to them. Bring so many sweets. I have no room in my space and I get tired while distributing them.
किंतु देखो भगवान
See,
विप्र जब
Sudama Vipra,
अपने गृह की तरफ चलने लगे
when he walked towards his house,
उसके हाथ में एक
God, he did not even give any penny to him.
कुछ नहीं दिया। और सुदामा विप्र मन ही मन विचार
And
कर,
Sudama Vipra was thinking,
मेरे पत्नी मेरे
my
बेटा
wife,
कहेंगे, पिताजी,
my children will ask,
आप तो 10 दिन बहुत प्रेम से
10 days you stayed very nicely in palace, you were eating nice. What did you bring for us?
अच्छा बताओ सही है कि
True or not?
आप कहीं जाए जब आप लौट कर
Go
के आओ,
somewhere when you come back to your house.
आपके बेटा बेटी कहेंगे "मेरे पिताजी मेरे लिए क्या चीज लेकर गया?"
Won't they ask you what did you bring for me? Go to Vrindavan Parikrama. When you go back to your house,
बेटा बेटी क्या कहेंगे?
your family members will ask, what did you bring for us?
इसलिए हम लोग देखो हम सच बोलते हैं।
So see, I speak the
हमारे
truth.
वृंदावन परिक्रमा हो, नवद्वीप
In
परिक्रमा,
Vrindavan Parikrama, Navdeep Parikrama,
हम सबको मिठाई देंगे।
I give sweet
ये
boxes
नहीं
to
कि
everyone.
हजार लोग आते हैं।
Thousands of people they come. You ask to them. All they take prasad. All.
कोई चढ़ाए नहीं चढ़ाए, पैसा चढ़ाए, उसका
Even if
मतलब
someone
नहीं।
give money or not, we don't see this.
गुरुदेव ऐसे कहा करते थे।
Gurudev used to
एक
say,
कुत्ता भी मंदिर में आ जाए,
even if a dog comes to the temple,
उसको भी
you have to respect him. You have to feed the dog.
कभी आना नवद्वीप धाम परिक्रमा,
Everybody come Navdeep Dham Parikrama sometime.
कम से कम 10-20 हजार लोग होते हैं।
20,000, 50,000 people coming.
सब जम कर ले जाओ।
And everybody take prasad at that time when they go back to their houses. They make very nice, beautiful.
बना करके रखे हम करे, ये वो हम जो बना के सबको बांट दो, हम बता के बात सबके बांट दो।
See, yesterday they prepared bags of Annakut prasad. Everybody take prasad.
इसे हम इसे कर देंगे सुदामा विप्र।
Then was Sudama Vipra. In the heart he was thinking,
ये प्रभु तो मुझे काना कोड़ी में दान दक्षिणा
Prabhu,
दी।
you didn't give me any
और मेरे बेटा
money.
बेटी कहेंगे, "पिताजी मेरे
My
लिए
children
क्या
will
चीज़
ask, what did you bring for me? What will I answer to them?
है?" इस काम के लिए मैं आया हूँ।
I came for this thing. It
देखो,
isn't
सुदामा
fulfilled.
विप्र ठीक अपने
Sudama Vipra,
झोपड़ी के सामने आ गया।
he came right in front of his poor house. Just he's so far away. It wasn't a small house anymore.
इतने विशाल
A builder had manifested a huge palace instead of that hut. A whole Arjun enclave, like a big society was made.
सुदामा विप्र विचार करने लगा, "अरे मेरा
Ramapur
मकान
started to
झोपड़ी
think,
कहाँ गया?
where is my house?
किसने हड़प लिया?"
Who stole it? Where is my hut? Then he moved little bit further. He saw Muni Rishis.
जगने कर रहे थे,
They were doing fire sacrifice, swaha, swaha. Smoke was coming.
गाय जो घर में जो गाय थी,
The cows in their house, she was very, very thin. Now the cow was fat,
सुरभि गाय जैसी।
like a surbi, very beautiful and fat, completely nourished.
20 लीटर दूध देने वाली
20 liters milk she was started to give suddenly.
उनके पत्नी
His wife,
पहचान में नहीं आती।
he could not even identify his own wife.
पत्नी बिल्कुल जो है,
Wife, she was very thin.
और इतने सुंदर साड़ी पहन
Now she was wearing very beautiful clothes, expensive jewelry. They were coming. The children
सुंदर वस्त्र धारण करके
wearing beautiful jewelry. They were coming. Father, father, come, come, come. Wife said,
पतिदेव,
husband,
ब्राह्मण लोग, संत महात्मा आपने के लिए अपेक्षा आपके लिए
Sant Mahatmas are waiting for you.
पूर्णाहुति के लिए क्या चाहिए?
What do you need for the final offering and the fire sacrifice?
पत्नी होनी चाहिए।
The husband wife both are needed.
अकेला पत्नी और अकेला पति
Alone wife and alone husband cannot do this. So both husband and wife are needed at the end of fire sacrifice. Leela of God is like this.
सुदामा विप्र को आश्चर्य हुआ।
Sudama Vipra became surprised.
मैं भगवान से पास गई, थोड़ी सी मन में इतने चिंतन किया,
Just he thought little bit.
प्रभु ने इतना विशाल
God, he manifested a huge palace for him.
भागवत में करे,
In Bhagavad it is coming.
इसलिए भगवान कुछ भी दे दे,
Just to give little bit something to God.
कुछ नहीं दे,
Outside,
किंतु देखो भगवान आपसे इतने
God is not giving directly, but indirectly God will give you so much you cannot even imagine.
भगवान देखेगा कैसे छप्पड़,
God, he will open his treasure and give everything.
भगवान ने गीता में ये वचन देते हैं,
In Gita, God is
ये
saying,
पत्र पुष्पम फलम तोयम जो में भक्ता प्रयच्छ। थोड़ी सी कुछ भी है मुझे भक्ति के साथ मुझे
if
दे।
someone offers me something little, I will give you
लोग कहते
everything.
हैं, भगवान के पैसे देने पर कम हो जाएगा।
People, they worry if you donate to God, then money will reduce. No, your money will increase.
आप सोच नहीं सकते।
Cannot even imagine.
ये सब कथा भी श्रीमद् भागवत में है।
Srimad Bhagavad, this is explained.
कितनी सुंदर कथा है। और परीक्षित महाराज इस कथा को श्रवण
When
करते
Parikshit
किया।
Maharaj hearing this
और
katha,
अंत में
at the end,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Sukdev
कहने
Goswami
लगे,
Pad said,
हे महाराज परीक्षित,
Maharaj
आज
Parikshit,
7 दिन समाप्त हो गए।
7 days
आप
ended.
ध्यानस्थ हो जाइए।
Now you meditate.
और परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj, he was got absorbed in the
धाम में
pastimes of God, and just he entered the Golok Vrindavan Dham, he entered the body of Gopi.
सनातन
Sanatana Goswami Pad says,
परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj,
भाव प्राप्त
Gopi Bhav Prapta, one who attained the mood of gopis,
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन धाम में चले
and he attained the goal of Vrindavan.
जय जय और इसी बालक के अभिशाप के अनुसार वो तक्षक आकर के
And because of the curse of that child,
तो चली
the
गई।
Takshak came and bit him.
इसका बहुत सुंदर विस्तार दिया।
Very beautiful explanation is there.
इसके पश्चात में
Then-
जो भागवत के द्वारा मिले वही परीक्षित महाराज के पुत्र हुए जन्मेंद्र। और जन्मेंद्र जब सुना ये मेरे पिताजी के जो है ये तक्षक आकर के
Janmanjay heard that my father will be bit by a snake. Janmanjay, he became angry.
सर्प यज्ञ के अनुष्ठान किया।
He organized the fire sacrifice to kill all the snakes.
बात इस पुराण में ऐसी कथा है।
In Puranas, kathas are coming like this.
जन्मेंद्र
Janmanjay
बड़े-बड़े त्रिकालज्ञ ऋषि को बुलाया।
called big rishis, let's do a fire sacrifice and destroy all the snakes. Let's destroy all the snakes. High class exalted rishis, they came, started to chant mantras. They started to chant the name of snake and they started to kill all the snakes one by one. All the snakes, they came and died.
और उस समय तक्षक
Takshak at that time,
डर गए
he became afraid.
और डर के स्वर्गलोक में इंद्र की सिंहासन की तरफ
He
सिंहासन में ऐसे लपट
went to
और इधर ऋषि लोग
the throne of Indra in heaven, and the rishis were chanting mantras. Swaha Swaha,
और
Takshak
देखो,
Swaha.
तक्षक आना पड़ा। इंद्र के
Takshak had to
सिंहासन
come.
में आने लगे।
With the Indra's throne, the Takshak started to came. All the demigods, they came. They said to Janmanjay, they said,
देखो
listen,
ये हिंसा के द्वारा
by violence, no benefit will come.
वेदों में कहा गया
In Vedas it is said,
अहिंसा ही और
non-violence is best.
उनके बहुत तरह से समझाया ये सर्प जब बंद कर लो।
They convinced him to stop the killing the snakes.
और उनके बताया देखो ये
He said, "O Janmanjay,
पिताजी
your father, Parikshit Maharaj,
वास्तव में तो वो लिप्त था लिप्त
in reality, he has already entered transcendental abode." So now they explained, then Janmanjay, he stopped that fire sacrifice of killing all the snakes. Then he said, Bhagavad Katha, if you hear Bhagavad Katha, you will attain Bhagavad Dham. Like this,
जैमिनी ऋषि
Jaimini Rishi,
जन्मेंद्र के जो है
he
पुनः भागवत कथा
again he explained Bhagavad Katha to Janmanjay. All this many katha is coming like this, Srimad Bhagavat.
इस भागवत कथा श्रवण करने
If you hear Srimad Bhagavatam,
साक्षात भगवत धाम को प्राप्त
you will attain the transcendental world. Oh, there is no doubt in this.
है। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जय।